me ma kwaba edeba Adom TV enkrahye dwumadi ya o hwe mi am ti dwom amede ho chia me edi am jeso ni tekotego ma me ni kan da wase se wode wa fidie ato na obepemre ani me ato na mo ntiowe ene asem a me de bre wo na tifi sem ne se afutu ya me ma me de maame afutu ya me ma me de maame emra me si so no ya na enkoyie ya na asem nsasi fom ya na asedi ame prapa me nya me ma me kansem bebre e kire me na enne metimi akase ehu hia e ma me no mienu semra me kase e bia na wadwuma nkoyie adwuma no bia wunya bi nyo empo wo ye bi mpo akatua nso semra me kase e bia na ware kwa de atete apansam enda so ade kwa ware mu no ankonesa semra me kase wo manyina atiatese papa bi anim wona enum adubone nom wona asabe emfani de ma emfani de ma aya anensa wonsa sifom. Whenever I begin to complain about the state of my life, my mother will always tell me, I can tell you that many others are feeling the same way. Me mbeka kire me say nya wo fam nya wo nko dodo na efam na obekire say do not focus on what you are going through. Men hwe nyoma na wo fam no, but let your focus be what you want to go to. So when it da baby apese wo babokoto esan se wo de wani tu nya wo fam no mu a obegija obe ha wirebe ho wan hwa wo nya sabe nyansa ni suba betimi da bubra no na mo se men hwe nyoma a wo fam no na fa wani tu baby awoko se wo di hia fa no tu se me pesika waware anya fa no tu se me pese me nya warepa na mo mmo na ware ne nye o na me bre na me yehanie na enkoyi o saa tete no esi wadwene ho kwan ema emie wadwen mu. Dwelling on what you don't want makes you work against what you want. Dwelling on what you don't want makes you work against what you want. So what the wadwen to nia won pe no so a na bobo hu na nwinwi wo ho a esi kwan ema nia wo pe no. Hwe, we all have ideas about how we want our lives to be. Obia wo eniswade hunu bi ewo mfoni bi a watwa adwene mo proso said the person wa brabo eyo obia wo ko ware no wo eniswade hunu bi ni mfoni bi a watwa se o media me person ma ware yese ukọ adwuma no no wo eniswade obi se na meye adwuma na menya mfaso se na mapesika bi asie empo wo ko school no wo mfoni bi wa adwene proso me wie pa menya adwuma makope dan kese bi atenamu ma yese ni nyina ya eniswade hunu eye nanso enya ni sade hunu nyina na ebem enya ni awpe nyina na abenya. And the wishes that we always wish for don't always materialize. Therefore it becomes a battle. Abrabo no eyoko mepe memfa ma meje unsanka mede be ma meje afi ho sa na abrabo te wo pe yemfa ma unya ya je afi ho na wonsa sifom abrabo eyafo ne sane eye wo wiamre ni stobre abrabo to da bia obesere to da bi so ya awraho nemom de ese ohunu se whenever the biggest mess comes up, do not dwell on the external conditions of your life. Senyoma ankoyi a men hwe nyoma na enkoyi no emu ho atan men hwe nyoma na enkoyi no entwedwa asu men hwe nyoma na enkoyi no sabe emo bi sobo na emom no transikom. And when you are able to let go and accept the truth that positive outlooks will help you create the ideas to work out of your situation, you work out. So to me who say so what's some wadwene proso nyoma na ma wodane ane je agina wadwene proso mra obrewo ho no a obenya asem na no yi ya na edne sempo men kan se obi awu mansu men kan se sempo ahia wo ya wiawo a men twedwa asu bedu baby a usu a jai na bisa ho se he na mede we susu ko ni suo no besi kwan e ma wanhwe a wontimi hu beba abra boko atete ni adwenwen no besi kwan na ma wotete mire ketua bi a eye normal jai. When you worry, stop it. Don't overthink. Rather think about where you want to take your life to and not what you are going through. Now assembly ato wo ni mameka ebi atu obi pen. I know you've heard many times, but you fail to take the necessary action. That when you change your thinking patterns, you change your life. What is? Hasn't watch ya. Osawa adwen wa braba sisa. Osama sama adwen sisa. So osawa adwen ya, dey na wo kan wa adwen proso. Ye nye ade amekoye enkoye. Ni amekoye wanhwa emmoa me. Sa abomfia ni abegro sam na wo kan no. Ena ma wo nsa sifom. Wo mu nsa sifom dada. Wo mu unya bi ni udi hia na wo twa bobo etwa asu. Sinkete na pe the friend to do list. A day na metimi ayo a friend to do. Potoka a friend to do list. A day na metimi ayo. A day na mede ma word ne beye. A day na mede ma adwene beye. A day mpo na mede me nsane me nan beyo. Na ayi me afiri sa tibia me timu mu. Ani a friend to do list. Yen bebre yen na day. Ye free sa abrabo e ahogro. Abrabo nya ahogro. Abrabo ye oko. Abrabo ye mirikatuo. Na no pani bi ka se mirikapa no meto awie. O se mirikapa no abrabo ye mirikatuo no oko. Entuna obi so ka se enye ne mogya ne honam na anya. Ye no asum atumfo e gina wadwen proso. E na anya. Ense wan kenya wadwene ansa wadwene a. Minu aba na minu abema. Ebi a otia na betina. Ene ebobo na abebobo. Ene empo so bobo na abebo. Nempo say abrabo ye hopeless amount. Ya more se be bobo nyoma ho. Ye bo se be pe nyoma anu aduro. So awade ne nkoyi a ni nche se be gya tum se nkoyi nti ye jai. Na se wo court ahodo a ore jai nko a nya sa de bo no. Sa nkoyi anya awade ne nkoyi nipa na ewo mu no woni su ena ma nkoyi. Enti be ma ne obey bi so say de na metayo. De na meta ka kire me yire. Ane oba de na metayo. Ya mitaka che mi kunde na menyo ya amama wada abedu sembre se me gya nneoma me yo no a emmoa me no na me ye nneoma ebeboa ma wade empo adwuma bi na wo yo na unsan ko anu yi a ebia na adwuma no ntumpon ewo nimde ene nsa no adwuma ho kopa di sua na fa ka ho na tumpon dum pempenso a wo so wakatua bedo so sempo enkoye semre yi a enye semre na betwadwa asu ebobo nemum se wo hwe nneoma abetimi ayo ye bema nsakaya bo abrabo mu abrabo no enye mresa abrabo no enye sutobre nko a abrabo no enye twabre nko a e wo mra edi dua e wo mra ye kirekom ene wo mra ye twa wansua ehunu ne sei ya da bia bi kakra bia na wapa aba he na dabi opa aba wagu abam mempa ba busua empa ba abrabo mu da abrabo no mesi sutobre wo ho ena owia bre so wo ho se de atie bia no se de nsuo to agyaye no sa na owia so ba akoto nemmom ne esa wodi nsutobre ye no ena ehia yesa wo ye na owia mre no ena ehia yesa betena suto mu ena nsuo to dodo ena me de mabre ni nsuto sa nyoma na wo ka no eya baguro ene akwanside se nyampo se de ya me ma mbeka enya wonku na wona mu obi afamu da pesuehunu na park de na so de free wate onyame enka ho na dai moma me na empo osmosis na me na Priscilla 1 ba kwase na me na ejawa be kampedu ase se wo ka me ho na me de dwumadi obrɛ wo Adom TV mesrawo enyi wa fidie ni mfiri ha na dwumadi adi akire na ba me am tena dwumadi wa me de o chia me edi am je so ya ni tekotego woni onyame entina
No sia bwade shema ya mamu nyina ache ya mu afishia pastor nkondo Badwam TV Badwam so edani teko tegwase nkranhyensem no oni ye ne akono pepepe mesro famudie na mu a na ede ya abrabo ne de kukuwi ase wom na wawa anhya wo hudene a na afia dane asem foforo ntini ye da ase enu nkranhyensem kase ne braso ne yetodwa wo mu bi ya wo betie ni ene de ye na yeto enyima hoden no afutuo ne kokobo akwa amaye se Wobronya busumi mu yento ne dodo sebe ya ECG fo nso adwuma efo betimi akwaje wan home ye de sansam no ebebremo na yakwa passenger fo ewo asimfosu wormo stress se de fo weyi etia na etete ba fo bunti lorry fare no omunte so ma won sansemi ni sembi na no pay e de so mo sa Adom TV Badwam kase Facebook/Adom TV kase ne dem live ho so wo go TV a 176 e channel a obenya Adom TV ho and a DSTV so 280 ano pay me amesomo medidi afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni die mu tie se den sam ni chiremu ankasa etie wodi afutuo pa na ema electricity ye na ye de wo mo credit card no edidwuma se enedie obibia nhwe na onto de oto ne kane no nkebe ya dobo no se be ya wo mo so bronya obetumi akono akwaje wa home na afi oha bia matri communication director wo ECG Owura William Boateng na Adom TV kase edinkomwe.
Ye was smart prepaid for na mutumi use ye app editor no. Ti omo no moto esa otumi nya sa convenience na wabo na wato omba ye ho. Ene omo ye smart no so omo ye prepaid so omo ye smart. Omo de na omo use card ne ade na omo ba na omo to no. Ena omo so ye kai omo. Se ye kɔ afi awie ye na mofra obi a ebe fie ne ade electricity no ba be cost consumption omo nhwe energy conservation no mo use power ni bebre ne etosu mienu no nso no omo nto enough electricity no na omo mfanko holidays no na ne asichira ne se wo share dates na ye wona ye wo days be we statutory public holidays ufa 26 27 see ya holidays ewum nti no to dodo e bia ne fie da ne memenda no beto bi na etumi de watwa 3 days no na ohawamba empo no nso yanhye no nso se ye wo third party vendors e wo mran moam ye localities ne mu onim na omo ye adwuma because agreement aye ne omo wo no ene se during time a ye adwuma ne ade convenience nti ono de woni fie na oton otumi pon anaju kwese da no potumi ton.
Chief Executive Officer Edema Consumer Protection Agency Kofi Kapito enso ede futu ema omanfo ene ECG edwumako no
na me so me dey adesede atro consumers we nim say me srew illegal connection there na we aye mambofo e say wo hwia enti sa de ye nyai na mom wo fi say wo sika ena enso a wo betimi kra no ma ya arrangements no etua ni installment say na ebe ya ye num wo nkania eno no ye futu am ma consumers na masre ECG for so afia ye komi ye besre wo mo se for to be ba emra ya no mo be siesie no omo ma na nyentem
a passenger for ya wo mo asinfo susre na anka assembly no anase lorry drivers no wo mo agent abo lorry fare no so mfama wo mo e wo se de neifu obo no so abafom na ahoyehia na do so e wo abrabo mo ne Adom TV etwaso
ampa sisi asha wo hwefo na abafom pa na sisi ano for no se na etie sa na etie nti yesre sa nka betumi atiso amayen kakra na yanyi so ye passengers no ye hu hwan kakra
nti na ye nyina ye nim se nka petrol na ba form ni Christmas die eye a driver for be hu ye mobo na nka o mate so ene se anope mate se ye se GPIT for se enya de a wo bete so age se aban ate so ma na bedu 10 Ghana. In fact say driver for ne kasa na woni ye ne passengers a ye fuka de bia ne ne omo e ka bom ye adwuma ma wonsa ekowano na omo ne endi ne ye eni kwa se wo ye yensa akra
sisi ana nka akofom ne de na nka expect omo se nkom so mbete so but ye reading news video omo kan de in fact it's unfortunate omo nko no omo nsamra.
National Road Safety Authority said they know womo do omo hu ba be hinta lorry stations ahodo onom na afia be for kwan so eno so oma ye bi e wo miamia ahodo sei na futuo ne kokobon so akokese de ama 24 ene ahyenkafo se be ya fi nkwana wie ye no nkwanhia e bebrase
The acting director general any apanfo ombekwa drivers no no mu ne omu akɔhwɛ senior operators any union so the driver for no omu twika say omu the logbook ye adwuma say omu kwakwentu tintin to say more than 8 hours and 500 kilometers no omu kita driver for mienu afi ye be ma ye inspectors no adane omu ho undercover operatives they say mystery passenger be say no mo tete car so mo yen hwese mo kwakwentu tutie ye pese ye te obre so no omo use 2 drivers na so omo use.
Industrial Relations Officer Edema Ghana Road Transport Union GPRTU Alhaji Imoro Abbas enso ede futu ema ahyemkafo
ya kankyere ya nuanu mu se ya ndi nhihia wo ahyemkafo adwuma no mu so nhihia ben na wo so ya numu nsa emfa nka ehyen wo to kwan ebinum de wa ko bebi a wo nko hoda e was speeder eti se wo nkita men speed and brew the prescribed accepted speeder yama yese yam fan to kwan no need there enti se wo kan hyen and brew 80 km per hour wo baby cry we say a trust say yama speed no emba from ba be 50 km per hour yendi so
Bonya bosumi mu na yewe na Adom kase yabo proko enkramonti bi so kohwe ye sanyenya bia no bronya niema no wormo to ana imudi he no wormo eto yenko ni nkuti
Bafi we de yentoshi oba woni pa bebre wo kro mo ntoshi ya to nyama mu dodo enti nipa no be agina okra na se wo bo price manu a obeka che wo so okọ aba okwa omba biom no kat this year de ni bo edin dodo ebi wo 1.5 ebi wo 2.5 ebi wo 3 million
kwali ayesro ba ye bonya mi paye na nya mi bremu mai ese market ni ye do
55 cedis so na so mu ntoshi
afi we de enye yie kra ye kan se afi bia ye nto de bata afi we mu de enye na blonya na okrom blonya no su okrom blonya we de ye hu bibia so blonya no mu amunhwe ne ma na sisi o ye nto dana se pa ni choma microphone ma no meto ni ma ni mai se ne atutu ni ma ni muti ni ma ni yento na blonya
Aban lawyer Penny ono anso ye nimuni anasa atentene hwafo Justice Godfrey yabo adamen se ene ya be ka se o man Ghana ye ya de pa ewo enipa ye mfa ahudie mu ensem ye ntieti aso nhye bibia de na kwan mu se de ese na ne kasa no bebi oka no botaye tachiri oni Adom kase etwaso.
I also consider the passage of an alternative sentencing act an urgent necessity and a further avenue to reduce congestion in our prisons. I have reviewed a draft community sentencing bill that my office recently undertook. The draft bill is going through stakeholder consultations and is spearheaded by the sponsoring ministry, the Ministry of the Interior. I am hopeful that this bill will soon be laid before Parliament and will be treated as priority legislation by the House.
Sejumedi Media Foundation for West Africa and Shraj and Kabo Mua European Union Edisika eso wo mu asene Suleiman Brahma and Yepen Empower da Media Foundation for West Africa ano Lord to just say
baby I'm say touch makese ema afa ahudie ene ema etumia was wo mu ewo ya eba no ya mamuo adwumayo ene no ma hodo bebre no em say ema efa ahudie no esinto wo mu kese ye me jizi se ho ne ba bia ye nyina wo se ye boye homoden press freedom em say na ye ba bia eno so Ghana ye boye homoden pa be mfie mi ensamfie 9 no em say ho so sinto abamu a ye nyina ye ka ho asem say wo se etu anamo se ne be ya nsenhwofo so afa ahudie wo so munyade yo madwuma no omo so be nyana omo ede aboa ma oman no yakọ nenim.
Adom TV Badwam kase na guso eti ehwe no nso na police officer no a na no a daka price ya yechi heye wo akronfo ekọ maame bi so kro no bo wi echiri fa ne bag dwane ye no omo ko hunu wo mo ewo ba bia na omo hinta ti wo mo ne wo mo aposifo no di tuo toto sa aposifo no akronfo ni tuo ni bi ka aposi ni ba ko ni sirem amene wo ayaresabea na oye corporal isansa na dwuma hu prenti a promote na man sergeant Adom kase etwaso
Police Jumayeni a enam tututu ekoso ewa post Jumayefo ene akronfo ya wo mokobo kro no car price ne ntamunte no yetu ne tio ewa ne siremu no IGP abonabaso e de free rank of corporal e de akọ sergeant ya we no wo kire sen manimu ya enhwa asenya adwuma officer ya ye ka ne ho asemi oni ne team ena wo mo ekabo mu ekoye special operation se de nkebe ya akronfo ya kobo kro no car price ye won kramantam no obetumi aso wo mo pechi na enam se wo tu ne tio ne ntino a doctor for h remu dia etoba no eka dompa e wo ne sire nifa no emu police administration no enam mo police emergency medical intervention fund no ede niam adodo na ena akwakoye no adoye na wa amane bonimu no ofa akonya ne so ebo apoise Jumayefo a omkodi dwuma sada ne nyina abaso wa dwuma pa omdi ye de ma Ghana maye no ntino riba ba akwa no kakro no boyi ho omatumi ayire ne pa chia mienu so atona nanom ewo nsiado police
Accra High Court nso agia tomo se owura William Atoesien kane Capital Bank pani ene abainman so no yemfa nkofie na yenkosiesi enura wom kopie mu court Nintwasuni.
Accra High Court no agiatum terms of settlement ya na edra oman no ene opanyina wote Capital Bank no William Atoesien entem ensem beto dwa wabra mre bia etwem wo mo edi proposed settlement yi ekoto court no enim na nsoso no abra court no kwa setina 1J antum ye na meno so ntino ode kwa adum yensa ebo owura Esien na abra enne ebenada opanima bosome ne de to sudum yensa no mu court no esa kwa setina biom no prosecutors ne lawyers for wo mo ka owura Atoesien ensem no bi amano ekoso a kirechire nsem mu ewasem de bia ho se de beya ombetumi amakoto no age wo mu edi ya wo kire se terms of settlement ye dai ko imi no entem no e ya demu edema oman na bra wonyina anoko bankuru no 90 million Ghana cedis ya court share ura Esien se wontua no odinka tue mu 30 million Ghana cedis.
The last time that we came there was no opportunity for the parties to explain how they came by the 90 million Ghana cedis. In fact, the first accused person, Atoesien, has always insisted that he has an amount not more than 57.5 million Ghana that he thinks he has stolen. 57.5. And we also were of the view that even if he accepts the 57.5, the money has been with him for some time. So we insisted on getting some reparation for the state. So out of the 90 million, over 32.5 forms part or is part of the reparation. So 57.5 as the admitted sum, the state is being compensated by way of reparation in the sum of 32.5 million Ghana cedis.
So this is good business?
To the state, it's reasonable.
Nebi mu adwene ne se ye de ho ekọ IMF ho no mo meboa ye ne de free SHS no se de tie ne beka no be ye free ho nenso anya dwuma ejina mu den Adom kase etwaso.
The issue of preservation and enhancing actually social interventions and pre-education falls within that. I think we are doing a review to look at efficiencies of all of these programs, and that has already kicked off. And as we then continue, we'll make sure that these are run efficiently. I mean, free education, the issue of human capital is something that, I think the government of President Akufo-Addo committed to and clear about that, because that always remains our future and also ensures social mobility for every Ghanaian. The sense of citizenhood is important. So yes, we can make it more efficient, so I'm not sure anybody should worry about that going forward.
And wachi ena penimpa wada IMF mission team ano Stephen Rude and so eden sama would be etujwa ewonhyiemu ase.
Importantly, the program will seek to protect the most vulnerable and create space for growth-enhancing measures and social spending. Finally, the government is taking steps to promote private sector investment and job creation.
The issue of preservation and enhancement.
Rasepa sawuje brehwe Adom TV kase no de edu so no ye de bonkrata no se wo pia radin fa nkomra asumdue mu na mum se won driving ko ade a join ye live obi mo Facebook/Adom TV na fe de bonkrata no wa ha se ben so gina na so den minim so owo swag sa minister Wobek so ta mani gina ame matna se kakra ti me mo akwaba
enjeni pa
won't translate. They say ejina
hwa.
No. Ujina hwa because swagger. Even pense mukra no. Hello, pense mukra say. Yama ujina ho. Enya ho no.
Consent to compound house. O hwe me saa na ide. Osmosis so do ho betoto eye. Omo ma fa afuro ma koto fie. On consent osmosis o te compound house. Me ye media also your there. O twe ko aba me media ni say bonya dey na me no aside. But the daddy says na be nsuhie nsuo gum na da ne nsuhie. Unim de wo me dem me de gare eni me kwa kwose. E fa ho ben. Unu onya akoko a otutu e fa ho ben. On consent you nya daje make also do me ka the next person again. E ma me kokofie je ho mra kwa nsema me ka a chewa no pawe no. Tie da me kan nsema me ka chewa no pawe wa o ti benkuru ni fa so a wo do say bra. Kofi ma che. Ma oba jebe so makowura compound house nanka nsemi titi afaso na meja eni biri se ma wo de ba na ma meja manya abotre na uwi amako compound house akodi nkomo yie biri bia kofi mi hu ana eja me hu se ne o me ba mpa na no da o de kase bo ne baaye na wasa de nchiremu baaye ana ne de wasa de nchiremu sunko ba ni na ka price nsemi e hu susu ana mewa
we wetin aka sɛ abusuafo yɛ bia na yɛbɛti aka sɛ ɛnyɛ kapa ne odeɛ wei no ɔmo no korɔnobɔ ɔmo so ɛkɔbɔɔyɛ na akɔmfo a ɔmo kyerɛ sɛ ɔmo kɔ wi a ka pia morning bi afiri aboko bi tɔn made na aboko bi ana ɔno bɛpie mu ɛwɔ kansoɔ ne pata ma ɔtu breku na ɔmo wi a ka ne saa no ɛna aposifoɔ enya ne tie sɛ ɔmo de car registration number JR 6013-2021 ɔmo de car no ba awutu breku de betwam eti posifoɔ mato ba ani bɛ 1 minute kra ana car bio nti bosi ni ba ko ɔyɛ na de sɛ ogyina no buso kwasi a na gɔfna de kan titu na wa ɔma fire a tinya mia Angapoti Borgia, and Kadam get what other who flow. As the Gomu police for the college of the college office. As the unknown announcer, I'm a police for Naka. Almost a sister mutu, and yet, almost Grita Mutu. And that is all my have a war movie. And yet, and tobacco, and I said to talk it to her, and you 2 about 2 and agree, bad Dubaku, Lumian, I will to the Google one. Sanya se ana ade ba ko ha posi bono se ti mamu fo ni bi titu no obi e pie ba be ha de bro e ja be posi fo titu na o mo se mo ti toma be ya o meku nipa e ti na se posi fo e guy e tu no mo tu ko me da se adnisi wo a wo tu be ku station wa e ti mamu fo ana kan ho ama posi fo ntimi ani nkunu mo akonfo no memu e kan de me no ka se o mo saka ani e kan mu e wo se emoja e wo se ante posi fo tutu no be fa win screen enti abrante ba ko ana o te front one de to se tu no AK47 wura ni mu ani PS6 ni za PS ko PS kan boot a wo se moja e tu na tinipa nam e de wram enti o mo gimi ka ede ka ne gọọmenti ka kana posifo ekonya taxi onko taxi efu moto no let em na no apaki ka no ron kwa no to nwu e nsu no wa to nsu no ade nipa na wa prade to aka ni na to nsu no de ko.
I see. Kofi ka say eti posifo bi ho aka na
posifo de me lo ka say obi ahon kai ne mu ekofo no akonfo no ana posifo se etu aka ba ko ejan do ga ne nam ani ni mo jati chaka kani enso omumia na de ne en na wura no
ti wonyina ye awutu senya meboa
ai awutu senya we awutu breko de capital wa na we see
we bujumbura mu sese no bi no ana
o ma nim se o ta awutu breko ni bujumbura mu ne bom just a walking distance ntutu na ba go awutu breko tu ba go bujumbura
ba Kofi that means I say show bujumbura mu komo ni yie pa o
national issue national issue me no ka say obi tipaye okromo nyina no da no kan bi si tutu nkomo o chese on the no way the class obu bu atoabu and Nigeria minister say what in next what committee so mu hwem Now come no man ready to come the machine come wood in that trouble. 1 year report number 1 year committee on what you that could say I would say you won't get and who's in my and you know.
Yeah. Kofi ma me na was because ana samsa so kasa si am de bia da meka e bi kasa bia de ka no bia ye bi but Kofi mo remo so no passa na wo say etututu akoso sa you know and specifically one area all the time. Timi da say yeah, me that's it. They more Ghana post for about so. I'm hoping say hospital be is a conform money hospital. Be one year one was a doctor for be no be collaborate with them. No more timi no my ejuma na say o say obi omu dwane na nkwanhye bi obi de baba.
Nti anu sa no mo de
report now nurse for doctor for Ghana for ahodo ina. Wo Ghana ni nso a wo gi na kwhye o dem fiewura no. Wo fiewura you careful. Kofi be wona musuma matiti fiere afo binum bebre won ma omoto ji back pass we hihye chomu fie am ye be se omo yare o what is yeah but mo de bibia ru ha o yes oba e bi nsa na me no o he ba ko kaza oba kan mo o man eno kure de ba ko ye renti tu o e tu renti e ke po de ka be ya renti I fancy and police for away let's get it for what president report and let the other comedy as already the way as already I back time there okay Kofiti yadase pi say everybody that would risky to that extent. But catch on and saying, I'm saying, you can't say, GJ and paying for says somebody essential for your jackets. Reflector no be jacket. I like I bulletproof jackets. Okay, go for them say multimedia at least on recognizing, you know. You ever heard of PBM because they be original kono. Very, very important. Ebra de so ni nyoma wo ye no ahunti yi pa eti ye behwe na ye disan komo so ama why thank you so much but when the ye ni say ohun say enu ti na last ye ne honorable Mavis how come say on so ne ye kasa no na ye say bibia ye se kasa on say we aboko bi o eno ma baby pie bo ha say de ne ye kam so say camp na ko pie wa wutu so no ti no ye da ya yes camp ha dream we should be each other's keeper. It's very important. Anna, who sa die we and yes, who be can be. Well, who say papa or koba, abranti or koba, na to me say with you, a more rem kakra. Also, so the all mind your business. You can never mind your business. Obia man, you no be baba sound, who be you, what you be bibbo corner, a slam be sound. It's yam 1 year chichili crew. And the be a tenor. Baby, I was baby, I could and the same cigar, baby, and Casa is very far away from you, Debbie. It's very close to you. Solve it as if say, a one as summer, but the baby Adam at the said, there's my pussy for my Juma Kuno. Madaro Magana for the donors, so I already say, Rebecca can summer and the correct I beat my bomb with humanity when we pay you. Yeah, cocaine. A baby, we are changing who a dog, and no. Yes. Yeah, cocaine. A baby, we are children, so I call that in same P. Madaroma. Mama GDA no any opepasi ebesum Ghana na ntimi konkan. That's the most important thing. Ade ba ko sports so motaye. Nyese mo amoko meba ho. But me sira mo bro nya bosumi afia say the amount for try red light move without bibia Kenya ni pese say. Omunya careful na police for no wo ho. Ombeche won. Say the amount for try red light move pa ade na soko after the last minute speed no echo ubehu no obi so dey so green na oba e be fa na o dey shia no I say bonsam ai bonsam wo wa no anko obabu nipo timisre bronya bosumi ya na kreti nyoma bebre amana bosumi ase ehu ama ne broso January bosumi ehu February bosumi bia mu na osa eti se wo ankase wa moa na bre ti se mu no wa ho sa de na so red ujina kwantana aso red osusu afi na wo try o ka na he the fast no one the motor ba na shey bi suba green ati si an okra so oko eyabo na wa anka so no wo madam ma esremo obi an kwa hia yen se Ghana afi we kwa na wie na se nipa tu kwa na wu ya ye be boy ho aba so de ba ye be di ya because nipa tu ni de mo be ya ma Ghana ene o mabusua ene o manka so mo ho
Se nipa na mu kura no opram.
Yes, Madaruma.
Na wonan no nsa nyina wo ho a wo koba kura na da asem.
Wo ma nya asem hia.
Wo ba ye ayi.
Wo ma nya asem hia because de bia da ejina ye kan. Wo ma nya asem hia. Ghana no bia ntimi free be bia mam begina Ghana enye Ghana ye nche yen Ghana for. It's very important. Afenso afene kwa na wie no Ghana for ayi mu agina mia bia sika fa ho. Amu serve Ghana interest, customs, immigration, national security, BNI, ye can say GRA. Yesremo. Edu sa abre we nso a Canada ni dream na yin epeja de mu papa ye port ahodo no. Ndi enkohwe sika ni Ghana moka. Ense ntwa ho okwa akohunu nsuo ni watifi. Wasa de mirika ba na afo abeka cho se wana ahunu nsuo wo ka ho bi na nsuo na airport no. Nyesi ye bu ye ni nsuo gu illegal mining nsuo. Ase emu ye World Cup ntino ofisi ye refi illegal mining so gadam say hu say ye refi mu amatie se akire a mu do ye kwaya ni say ye nsuo so no mesre say ministry ana so ye ehwe saa de so omo pege omo na ye nananom so ni miamia hodo Ghana former power obehu bibia no ni nyina is important for us to draw attention to it. Mesre pi is very very important ko Ghana no ya nhwe ni ya enema bebre beginsem. Now, I feel so. More money in common. Many things are common at NDC. NDC, I'm so disappointed in NDC. As if it's a NDC. And they move up until they catch the Ghana for some more dance here. Now, I'm general secretary as I become in your dance here. You can't grow in Numbi and now boy. It's no about Bontin Kiki. Now, I'm okay in a boom. Now, my electoral commissions need trouble. But more money, I'm okay. So it's better you see fire. Because it's shameful, sir. Away there the pay face a man yourself na nkasa nke de ye no ebibre magana no nya papa we tie se ma general secretary akika this same political party ba bonti as if so mo kokot akoya the papa bia ma and they were talking blah look at what they've displayed deceiving Ghana for say omo nyoma di dance here say abato no ye wie but one kasa wo num kasa kire say abato no mo kan nkuro num pede mu say mo dance here bo bibia atia fa so. But look at what they were doing in court. Look at what they were doing in court. Mesra Ghana for Bribia Damika. O do maya. And you want to do now or honoma. Unka onye. Inti me buy na me share this before say. Sa about to a moko to a more kasa kassetiti amono. Baby and share betimi mo kodu can be because more a potential government in waiting. Say sue na more already in the position there. And there's a far banyan there. And it will be a momo. Even in opposition, and these levels of accusations ever up. When my IT way say, when they say the question, when I contrary question, when the question say, even in opposition. Hey, now you kukurumponi. Now you consuasi a three and this in the tissue. You understand again? You better change. And politics are you go who fee. See, they pay 2 million. This country needs to get away from it. And it's a caution to the MPP too as well. He can't send poto for Lanchematon, he can't send poto for Baomian, he can't send poto for a Cote Free, Canada, Japan, Jakon, all potential leaders. Because you want power. Obekana fe kukomu komobi any conservative. A time on this Ghana, then we go to Abia, India, and Togo, and Cote d'Ivoire, on a Ghana capital. See, we careful, and more so foolishly and stupidly, for lack of better words. Mudidi party a chair comes among us. The party and say from Suokurana, must say papa. Because you are thinking party before Ghana. It's the reverse. It's Ghana before party. And a JJ Roll is on Koi. The Rocha money, a Jenny Boate Mune, Dubois, they are gone. Ghana is still surviving. So let's use that patriotic spirit. Yeah, how baby Ghana? Sukua dying, Mofra Sukua. When you walk out, if you are okay, you part do every university every year. Now here in new opportunities, and your mind is in the music. We am show to say, Ebedu Presley, they were for food, Ebedu a person. Not as Oba who say, Bibia deja. And they crown of Shamino. Omodachi so buku wi school. Dia no man ye man.
Say I be.
Asem no.
school no mko
asem no nkwada bebre ko school
nkokora ne mere wa no mu free ho na omu akoso omu meto
but that is not the solution o man na nkasa fi ade ne ya boy ye ho
ebi mo nyina wo ni nyina ho ya
ni paketu abi na nyini wo me no ya adwene ni kwa so mo tena but o hwe se the universities no afi bia ni pay free universities ma if the other way gimpa ye ko ebi ni mo graduate ye ko ta o mo ti okoy
ebi mo nyina wo so ho na mo bra na mo fa mo support
na wo ho se so man ni dwene wo no yeah, you know, a matiti high. Adjumani ho. Obia high.
Rock about the intro no so na e complimentary.
Oh, baby ho no.
Lessons. Now do e tell Bakasa.
Eba kan wasem. E bi fa antinator. E mo ntimi nko antinator. Ni o ma bebre wo man.
Eh, ada afi ba nyama na.
I will koso na.
Ye ntro no so no a. Wanyama na.
The minister say defense lawyer Godfrey Dami.
O mai no mema no mkasa se na se yen suspect o. Se wa bo atum ho. Eje ye nhunu. Ne yiri wo ma ha meda no wadi. O me gire TV so. Wo bo mu a. Mr. Asante da ku invite you for whatever. Sa no.
Asa beto aso no. Me na eye MPP eye omo from se ko dia economic management team ne na omase. Esi ahun si kasem. The economic management team MPP. Omo economic management team no. Ya usi omu sika sem no say hwe
ana make us number entity na mo ma de no
de bia mo pai enko kasa pi that say no massive for now obuna nyame e de ko kakra
nyame ye say dollar no 11
aba enura na 12 something ba mi sa sat ya
okay
me check
1150
also awo hode no nyame ho
oh aboka twu
koso hodo
why ko be do 76
koso hodo ye hodo dollar no sa
nam say mu man mu nyina
mo susu kwa ko bi dollar account na atieti for me eti koso hodo
ani afu wadi so eti 9 lessons and carols baso nyame aduma kwasi ada so we read lessons say
first Koronto for ngom
enye ahanye quotation lesson no e bia 9 8
we dem wu we
7 you bisa so we read lessons o say first Korean
eye koso
eti me wotre wo ha complimentary nti so be line ni tu
okay so 0302 211701 equals 4 so omo nim nipa na eba nti wo nipa be na onim so omo ba za adwumedi yase na omo ka wanse macha na wo question
ye fa mo asa
ye fa mo sa
ye nya hwea mo anye we
it wo nya hwea ma wase a unya nsa ne nkwa movement it wo so the way
friend ye fa ma de hian so obeba freche
hey
time no mani ade freche
0302 211701
so obeba
na me ya aduma Kwame. Okay. Ode Kwame nkase.
Kwame no pay ye mo ache da se.
Hello.
Kwame, afishia pa ye mo ache so.
Pato asen Kwame tu ya se. Efia.
Afisa se na nkwane ahoden wo ho.
Yep.
Amen.
Now free here no pay.
Me pato me free adenta no pay.
Wow. Na nyame ya adom akwasi ada de na ekoso.
Kwasi ada Adom TV 9 lessons and Carol.
Yo, no adaruma, obetimi aba.
Yeah. Me pato me pese me baby ba.
Mo. Na uri ni nyina de say na uba na odo ID ne ba no abeje.
Me pato me din e de Kwame Jesse Apia.
Kwame Jesse Apia.
Yes sir.
Kwame pato gina so thank you. Kwame you careful 2023. You careful 2023. Me won say you 15th January. Me won say omo de Ethiopia ana India ana Bahrain visit abegu. You careful. Ufie 4% omo ko Ethiopia no pay ye twa Ethiopia nim e wo Yesu dim. Why? Beji o gan me say. Odi e dey atuma makwa me pay. Oko India.
Papa na me so anope waka asem bi ama nato edabi so 15 January no edabi a me pese anka me hia o studio ni odi nkomo.
Me see me no we God will change your story. God.
Eti obaba. Eti nyame aduma anope wunya ho abra na beje. Shisha Priscilla on sabeka. Ya bedu details inti hange pato ono bekasa me sound man no bekasa. Ya da sepa ofofro nso hana nso so ba hana no pay ya moache.
Inia.
Afishia panso.
Afim combating
Amen.
Maybe I said the only harmonious squad for the age.
And you to an empire and quana affect your voice.
And you to
yes. Oh, so be mammy.
Nico Pintico.
Aha. Me am suspect o.
Hey.
How to say nyom no a.
Eti go so dam ne ko ye
Ma me na wo he wo betimi aba 9 lessons no.
Me pocha me wo Cape Coast.
Wo Cape Coast ti nyame adom abeba ho. Na beda na won sa ka o ticket.
So ya jin details na afia friend.
Yo, any for udi ne ubi bia ma o na oba Priscilla. Won hwehwe na waje wo de why. E da sepa nyame nka ho aka ye last caller complimentary na 3. Ti aka Eric Chum. Very can pay yam wash afishia pa.
Afin ko metu ye mfie mu.
Afisa say
na Adom TV ayini akọ akbe kese pa.
Eme.
Makati ya so niema ko yama ya peje mama moi yo jawade no
Eme. Yada sepa we elder na say aso
me Pentecost ni
I do
English assembly or general.
I do general brekubu
Sani Adom to member
general
oh afra by that so eno mpa ya wadwagu ye so nyame nka ho pa
wadara ma ya hia wo kato fufuo na okwa ne ho no
abawa ho
ya hia ho
why
onyame ya aduma be
onida
say the incomtion na kasenti nyame ya aduma be 31st July o be ana 31st
Metremo Adom TV me tabako ekili birthday ono asaye me
okay
me kolika me ne word mam ebo Brekum West
good
business assembly
good
your friend Emmanuel Bediakon ene nyame de afeba akon aka ne mfie ho
amen
and happy birthday amen yemfa last caller because elder gene there
but be share okato njine kwan ho
31st July 2023
yeah kufuo bi ho kato share nso na ntimi nya ho adwuma
enti last caller wa ba osmo ne tete Mr. Tete no pay official pa Low TV, but this time they send us away. Mr. Tete.
Oh, Mr. Tete.
Hello.
Mr. Tete, I'm official pa.
I'm good to be here.
Adom TV. Na ise wo free here, Papa.
No, that's the perfect screen.
Oh, ni odi akire ha ya. Na nyame ya adom akwasi ada ye kwai.
But you get me my back now.
What's it?
I show it to me about so no pebe.
I don't let you come.
You can be sure 9 lessons the carrots I be we are coming. No problem.
Yo, any now detail the am sound engineer na. Ba shop Priscilla on sabe ka why.
9 lessons and carrots.
Ya me sure, ya that's it.
Idia o game pakwa no.
Enti no wrap up na be ombenya ticket ni bi Joy FM how ba ko komlemle ha ubenya bi e na o se bacho na total so e ho so ubenya bi ato. 30 cities. And Mr. Tete ya that's it. Ya we wi nya me sure pa. E na fe yi has you know so online
okay. So the tieni Badaruma nyame adoma
kwasi ada we 7 pm ni ashase ai oba be hu Christian Awuni Rasnene Matilda Asare
Ubeba be hu eyi
anyotofo no so de obo doson creamy ba emoji and a hwan kra be so winners and a youth kwa no dey say youth here mobile
man how baba be hu me sometimes for me to come as if say okay can go
dem say who read lesson
wow baba hu me
ampa baba be share o man
baba hu me enye easy o baba hu me be share e betima di djuma hye nyame ani munyam e bi ni mu nka ho nti no o mu yiye fi baba hu me o baba hu me say tibia no onyame di odosonko ye be carrot nso e tu per ticket ni bi ato a bacho na total ko a airport share now there there's a Joy FM biasa
mumrameto
online there open say auto processing star 7-1 now fi odi 3 asos now for star asos now fi 00 now the kokona
003
now odi kokosa
hash
now kosa no
star 713 star 003 hash. Nice what cities. Munyina mumra no my mu no. De bia TV so amumra na mumma he already less.
Me so hu mi so a. When one oh, I say who is slim the TV and why Joe so Mama
Hey, the opposite side no.
Mama Taka say munya careful. Oh, wow, so yeah. Me say me so share my family.
Wadano, the all can ye the opposite.
Yo.
To hu na mane nyongo bebre.
Okay, so me share fi bi ho bi mana.
Bi ho bi. Ni say nyame ya aduma bi bo share so. Na kwasiada ye nhia wo ho.
Nyame ya aduma.
Du bo share so. Ye nhia wo ho.
Okay.
Ai, no kure de e ba ko. Why?
Me do say.
Ye be share no.
Konfo obe you know o ka na chiwade kire wampa. Yeah, I see.
Eti kwasiada o nyame ya aduma ye mra. Ye de no disappointment National Theatre. Ehwa na ekoso ye domo sipi. Me mfansi ha na wo nso a wo pie no. Erade mfa nkomra. Facebook/Adom TV nso. Ye demu wo ho. Ene Sister Sandy beba. Wonim de otumi ye. Obeba agudie mu nsam wo ho. Fisem nkomo nso wo ho. Pensem mu nso e wo ho nti twen ye eni afidie no ye kwaba.
Right.
Afi Adom TV Festival of 9 Letters and Carols no Basu Kwesiada 18th December 2022 7 p.m. sharp na nyum tofua eba be wo so asiendo ebiye so winners Ekiache Memorial Youth Choir Kurimi and Afi MOG Ebusiafo fa phone sese ya neto wo ticket you also we ya na say obebo short code *713 *003 hash now I select one. We select one year. Now I select Adom TV Festival of 9 Lessons and Carols. I think so. Upetimi enya ticket ni bia to Joy FM front desk. But on a Total, Airport Shell, and in National Theatre Sadanwa. Jumedie, nyumekua aso yasini eye.
Kwaba kesi bi ba Adom TV so Adom TV so between Jumedie so dia o kansi ho sempa sa kana no pan so ja medin Enoch Kwasi Wolanyo Wallace agudi crunch ba ko the only nomenclature professor's degree in sports the Regina Wallace the nation's presenter and medicine kunya ekono kwanten coding small do ensa kana no pan so e wo Ghana gudim eja nyuma koni emiensa 1xbet I've always told you that betting is better than soccer. Bet there and tasma we chin say utwan before and awdini befu twan kuma bi adini kuma sa no manum abusuya ka kire abusuyanfo ne nafofo awhese ne Mexico so mo financial freedom omuntimi retrieve yen so bi amfa na honje 1xbet mu bet there you bet with money that you can afford to lose sika yira enya oya no eno ana yedi twa bet but more than that some sabiti kan 1xbet Jeffers Health Limited and Jeffers Edo International in terms of infections there gonorrhea syphilis candidiasis white fever and sodium e prapra wa hawa no mrebo ho ma tv nche more than that some sabiti kan Jeffers Edo and also everything aboa Sedimo gel and roll on your ultimate pain relieving gel ya odie bia wudi fi opampa so be pimo na ase no etu ase home ebo ma nema 8 ekwe de ma kwa shama me market na fitema so enye na ho kra se otodro bi na de ye ho ana se oto utu akoton and also Sedimo gel roll on se friend I was 0208219129 na on a Sedimo gel and roll on yen hwehwe nkomo yen fa hyecha wodo a yensa ka no so entimi enjam yen chance yen fa nkomo entimi Samuel say journey of 1,000 kilometers begins with the very first step 2022 World Cup semi-final results entimi say PM enra na jude sum na enya semwa Croatia for ana omano papa no omo transfer Argentina for etwom couple polymensa ema Croatia for entimi anti-Canada na ohwese na case koye dia 34th minute na penalty 20 PM na Messi etin ayinkunya ehono eno achi nkwa Alvarez ono so 8 chene bobre 39 minutes na ono so aposo atana ba ko 69 minutes na wasansement victory over the third goal into Croatia 0 and afi Argentina 3 eno any game etim etofem boni akoma hwese na game is course ti Messi and who the efforts of a good leader say gradually ma omo cruise to the finals of the 2022 FIFA World Cup el Qatar dami adoma enkomo no betia Santos ne match ne Santos be uninterrupted the African side Morocco omo ehwenim say omo ne France the French side omo so kita African team and they are kesi kesi ne betia pem so 7 PM and as I give no so e betia Santos fem tia na wa hye ne so yami adoma de hunsun so no betia san brobio afien ko the road to the semi-final se na nema Asia koye e de ema Morocco for ama be PM e wo sa kesi kesi a ene omo de omo ajimu inti Morocco no the only African country with the European mentality and almost Eddie money 18 Sanchim or World Cup where the road to the Moroccans a semi-final clash now then so my name be proud to the World Cup Morocco for about 25 matches and sana almost the Eba World Cup against Kesinim Oko Morocco, Mohammed VI Sports Stadium no, omo the national one which is close to their capital. All the 12 regions of Morocco, omo our academy so, obo modern near the national team, or be Messi Akensi Edema Morocco. Yes, I may bomb Morocco Kuma de Besain. Senator said Morocco, General Secretary of CAF, or resign from the position and a better fee, so one of my to watch any A grades. Last year in Kwano, heard Media Morocco for the year. Now for more months so qualify for the finals of the African Cup of A Nations Akensi Timensa Jana. Let's say any can support no air normals El Morocco. Yemra France, now the road to France, Omujumedia, almost Edie. France and so Abaco Sema Kwam so the DBP L semi-finals and Honkomaka and a year chill. Unfortunately, Western Messi France for a defending champions. Omobasa competition, no more than 6 players and it may proud. The team was characterized by injured players in Kwa, Omujumedia with Sadi, almost simple for Acacia, Nanka BPM tied to the Bomani Metiqueno. Omentimi and for Mamba. I feel so Morocco for Essan Borough, an intervention from France and Namso, and my Omo clubs in Sikakasi, now Omo Edible League, no, now from Sunday call Air CAF Champions League, the Confederations Cup, the CAF Champions League, and the Confederations Cup, so Morocco for a team, and I just a Basbodina, EDSC, so a fee. Yamiadoma, and then community between Santos, but Yanko Chan, where the 7th edition of the African Nations Championship, Ghana, Ekambi, Madagascar, group Morocco, Essan Ghana group name. I know Edia Kinsin between Asamboso, na Ohesan Nema Ezitia, Nessa Chantim, no, I say, Omo Lake international friends, a bit bois, Oma 45 more properly, and Sana Omaka Kinsia, a basso or Jeremy, Omon paying for our income.
No, it's not bad. In fact, actually, last week, the intensity and seriousness and players will be after there, or make out the squad. I think it's not bad. The only challenge is that I think as a team, Black Galleries, the type, the right friendly matches to play. Because so far, looking at the time of the start competition, is 13th January. And we should start playing high-profile games, international matches and all that, just to test the level of the players, the readiness of the team. Point in time, it was difficult to, have a team that playing for to play because a class for them has been rented out and that. It's a bit sad, a national team I have.
And Besma Kobe Mensa, assistant coach Edema, the Black Galaxies of Ghana, and also the Sankumu Ejai. Bibia Mitrema between 19th and 22nd of December year, Ghana Premier League no Ebesantoso Ewo. Na Accra has a full for any other Eshanim Senyamiadoma. Ombetia improve team no. Slavko Mantic, a head coach. Edema across the folk. Ninkoma or also the Abedi.
Okay, generally I'm satisfied. As your colleagues say, we don't have 4 or 5 national team players. We don't have heart of the team, but we have another heart. That is important. We must work with all players the same way, and without that 4 or 5 players, we still play, I think, good football, and we must improve. We must run more. We must get more discipline. We need time for better things. Okay, generally I'm satisfied, as your colleagues say.
Yeah, and Tiazo Folk, coach, Slavko Mantic, now telling us generally, also satisfied. I was telling them, Esia Kosufa, Edia Mani Timno. One expert have always studied that betting is better than Sakawa. Jeffas Mescha do about my infections netted to us here, and I feel so sedimo gel and roll on. A campaign, Yaudibia, Utibia, a dream superboa, Emaniama, Etienne to the Momadama, woman a tetchy woman and open so they can see some pine Sakai Timijao. Meso Sudi, not Minuaba. Presla Asante Okufodia, or your head teacher Okufodia. Fantastic morning, and come on, and a belated baby Kesiepa, and come Presla Asante, Mrs. Presla Asante. You too, baby, I will be within the profit kill as a good catch back up, and I'm generally, of course, evidence-based presentation to Jao. I didn't tell anyone your Kessie, Meso Sudian Kuma Air Banados, Sister Sandy be a guy, and in terms of entertainment, you're gonna have it, will be intimate, and they have a day intimacy, catch up with your phone now for your my wife as a fool. Ukunum plan for you and say, Sister Sandy be a guy is coming up next. Profi Kiwala Sagudi catch Medusia and Madavasia Chelpi. The act of being a good guest is to know how to say goodbye.
Adom TV Festival of 9 Letters and Carols no Basu Kwesiada 18th December 2022 7 p.m. sharp na nyum tofua eba be woso asiendo ebiye so winners Ekiache Memorial Youth Choir Creamy and afi MO OG. Ebusiafo, for phone say ya. Neto with tickets. The also we are say. Ubebo short code *713*003#. Now I select one. We select one. We are now I select Adom TV Festival of 9 Lessons and Carols. I think so. Upetimi enya ticket ni bia to Joy FM front desk. But on a Total, Airport Shell, and in National Theatre Sadanwa. Jumedie, Numekua Asoyasini eye.
Yo, this is the time my Ghana musicians, no, they for stop the fool. Massa, they for stop someone like look at last minute. Gang. We they me I be event organizer. They do shows. Someone like a look at the name last minute. Gang. Offering shows 40,000. Now what last minute 40,000 when will be there? You see 40,000 for your eye. Clear you see 40,000 before. Only two pay they take you do show. You what see they bring on board. You they just come perform like 30 minutes on stage. No if you stage in Swako. The 30 minutes have you not go reach. And they give you car where you go sleep. And they provide everything. So that they give you money. Offering us 50,000, 40,000, and 40,000. What they deserve that money? Someone like Ose Krom Sikeni. I take Ose Krom Sikeni go Bogos. Nobody know himself. Nobody's have no one. But we or whatever we they do, we do events. We start to promote you guys for people to know you. He say you go take 6,000, 60 million. I think you go they show nobody know you, so people no come. Where they think cast. Where they take up and say me catch up and say Charlie. At the end of the day, haba into the GGG 4K way. Na me and I meet you our car in and out full. Baby, all day you now dey na me pay take. So jiwena heading. Fawoso. Upon say no. Make us say we yin sin in out from here. In no your 20 national bag. Wherever this man they God bless him. Bullet not event as he they help we the event organizer. Bullet they help we. I think when the show go the show flop. Instructor show na say. Then I forgive him like 20,000. I go and tell him say father. Show na here I flop a yawa pa instructor. He they told me say no, he they feel my pain. Because no, then we lose it. Car now we rent the car. What he lose? Well, he say how much are they hold? I tell him say boss. Right now the money's I forget stuff. It be 7K. Where I get forget. Today because of some more artists no. I'm on 5K. Na me for 2K. I tell him say no problem, but brother we did together. Yo, this is the time my Ghana musicians.
And you kwada afia ene kwaku eda. Me da se so TV na wo se Badwam ahosopeji na die so. Within the Sandra or him the whole world. In fact, Ghana had dear. I'm yet to know about what guys say me. Thank you. I'm the guy queen. Thank you. Akwaba young coach media so I couldn't tell the match experts no make sure I know bit to board bomini and no bit to board a bomini or la pass market because of story be at me obi to board bomini ebusia ye brew jebre but near I born my mini can of once my cobo so what Bray you can send be brain. But I have just 2 questions for a brand here. First boy, when someone walk so what's say on your bigger? I know charge 40K. Then why did you, as a events promoter, send your why did you invite the person? I will pay 40 no. So I feel buy any penny no na person be chase canon. And I feel artist managers no it's about time modini maybe to edwuma ho because I was told partner Albert I want church wa hey it's about time mo beti adwuma na sene de mo be because say Shatawale bi say akode bi Stone Boy bi Kelvin Boy bi ni asefo no charge boom a very understandable but wabonyo baako ubeko show uhwihwi after 5 minutes the DJ repeat yes I can hear kwaya brama o artist na ujira so so was artist managers no most of the adwen eto dwumadie na mudi no ho na afi promoter wo so onye big ma wa me nko because we wuchim no onye bigger eno ye wuchim what I say because e bia nipa no e wo se nipa bia wo hu ye te bia no hu no so ye very big it was bo bon sema no wa asem na kwa echi nyame adu ya bo wa Adom TV so but I'm yet to confirm from Bullet. Sam Pastor the walking on you show bina. And our partner show bina. Bullet is a very kind person, but I'm yet to confirm this so hunda impunia. Yabakon semna so. Me say atobo abom ani meboa. Mame ntu for kakra. Wa pese o ye adwuma ibi no. De ye bia na ye ofe. O se cha ne fene nkwan hye ne nkwa pese o ye adwuma ni bia. Make sure say o de wa adwen ene wakoma bema donation. Children soon be benwa fa ko che omo enkwala ni hia akoma no. Na fa wakoma mu hu be ye adwuma no because I mean with the emotions and feelings bema ubewu. And some ya trabre me ne treta magye. Any to the sense obi atobo abom me because of me say obi aro ne ho obi nkata ne ho. Obi aro ne ho nkata ne ho. Wow, how did you get here? Generation way is sickening. It say obi aro ne ho nkata ne ho efutuo we. Unti bi da. Anyway, we're going to massage and I'm concerned. So, I'm very okay, but you know, we'll be a church. And why you need more comedy at some cramp? You feel no more minimum when your data out is social. So, we will buy young and me pointed news to save him off. Was all bad time or bad phone. I mean, move to your church social, but girl now to Bobo La Past New Market. My that partner sister say. Sabaya na to bobo me mujai be hwe me but abaya wo to bo ne bo me no na me so mu a na me do call police station e bia na nka ankoye bibi papa and those hiding behind fake and ghost accounts no we have people who can actually decode you betimi ehun but social me hu say you have fun and big deal say me ba be chew and all that but ebo ne pa de me chew a everybody yankopon yenko wesked asem no so na mento ade me kan so na wesked one ma dwumadi no krofo bebre wasa me ka preko ho ade me nto aswe na no me ye story say ba ye en shatade because wa ro ne ho asem ni new omo so omo nti bi da be hwe social mommy ye di matemesi but I don't see why I was say the me adwuma na 11 good years the me hia any the me hu because of a story enye bi ne de mu ye yo Meshia West, me so obi de me call malam. Obi the gospel ni bi de me call malam. Sana malam ni me fan. No the picture ne brem no se mama. Yes me nku na me say hey because my story. It comes to the whole lot of things. Adwuma no. It is all a celebrity. I was so who say o piece un me bi wo ho is sold because o a celebrity, o a public figure. And besides special man kwa twen fi ne phone so. Ono ani posti e. And say ankwala ma me die. Wrong. And I mean, I can miss someone shattered. Monresi. Oh, until we are didn't quite tell me prefer the Metian style baby. Metian man, I fe. Into no, and I think I may be jai can make a secret say, Mon shattered, and I'm focused on talent, no. I roll on your talent. To Mon shattered, but it's unfortunate, says a generation way, no. I don't know the emoji, the muhu. Ubi are on who you're so unshattered. Ye tuneful. But how did we even get here? Ube who say gay trendy and then skates no any calibers for fair. But I don't know why now attention seeking akoye ororo. Se nipa kro ma me amfre wa. Na ye ne fans na to bobo. But yo, you got to focus on the talent and I'll repeat it over and over and over again. Yeah, be someone said then ma onye din we krom say a true talent any idea na we no ho e fan kofo di nimu and a sisterly advice you to wear your dress shatade and if I ho ben and our wig by sapo or wig sapo sapo bi kan aka so di mi pe be feeding and kraman bra ben anu ne hia mum the here say me go back to your basics asa enye no ne de o kan wig enye fe ho tantan oba afon and na de o kan enye no ne here obra me say mon shata it's as simple as that o kan ma me pan de camera be sin ani maka say ade o free ni kuna ehunu de ehye no ukunu hu wa no wa sha che ukunu ba de ba bonten social means we are socializing me kan sem no nti no omuni me sister Sunday be a guy Baba ya na to bobo mi be boni mum de me ya pa because hwemeni e boni die e ya me ya wo de bo mi na mani fry ka be den because my story anyway mon sha atade me kan de bia some mon sha be decent because Ghana your culture. On Wizkid issue, no. In fact,
Wizkid has proven successfully that he can't fill the stadium. Nobody for can't worry when an artist say make the go feel O2 Arena. We too, they don't go feel here. Yeah. Make them no can worry anybody. With the beg. Forget the O2 Arena, Madison Square Garden.
Forget all.
Huh, make the camp track, Sports Stadium. Then we can have a convo. You know, but that's on the lighter side. So I mean, and Otabil is still on our chat.
Yeah. And so I can send baby concerning Wizkid near charging it and you might paint who means you're not in somewhere.
Forget the O2.
It is an American bulldog nkwana e can nsem bi. In fact, I know don't so aba can maybe near Wizkid charge and a whole lot intino patchomadara mamunkuti anodin so ember. Sin most say mofa Ghanaian artists are mobile money 15 bodyguards there. So offer crew ya money 15 there and I Wizkid in tia, which are very understandable because level be an idea a deba. But me Stonebwoy ashaman to the world me who security be 100. Maha how many do be 50. Me who security be brave and in fact we are okokrampo no he left with about 10 bodyguards. Yes, you know I mean we can do it inti mama ya na ye kan obi o ntimi fili Accra Sports Stadium no. Mo fa Sonny Badu ochemu a Accra Sports Stadium wa ye bida ngende broni hu bida ni snow inti Accra Sports Stadium was one of my most emotional concerts ever. It rained throughout the entire concert, but no one was willing to leave. The crowd pushed and took over the concert. One day we will break our own records again. Atlanta Get Readiness or the April. Sonny Badu. Show na me baby. Okay, last I check Accra. The oil was stadium being so toy. Never am I. Oh, okay. But I don't know. Even though I learned all the videos near they can't prove it yet. But Sports Stadium G, I'm yet to know. I'm yet to know. Because I know show where am I going? I know I find it 40,000, but I know me Kobe. Show me Kobe, but I don't know. Anyway, but I block baby na ye baby o. Ana. We pan am quite ready ya. Means me kasa ngam nipa de bia wo ka ase me bia ye nokre wadaro ma me pa cho. Means me kasa but I don't know. Even though the video aka ho but Accra Sports Stadium record no then 40,000 obi Ghana yes. Anyway, we can do it. Sorry programs I'm some mensa Otabil na betimi afele. Guy afawa or ye wild cast or ye show ha or no pa betimi afele ho no kwa ma ayema pa. Hey papa de no ba ne ba Dagwood Mills. Why be? Hey Duncan Williams, Archbishop Duncan Williams. Why be that? It's no anyway, if you because a gospel ne secular, you know, but all the best to what person feel hodum bia. It be a Badwam, ye be show near feel, but 40,000 is a whole lot. And a big issue. I was say why wine should be an issue. It should rather motivate all of us. Say ye be. And it's Stonebwoy. So good news. Abane say or perform 2022 FIFA Fan Festival. Was mobile sema aboy. It's a good news for us all. 13 December 2022, Stonebwoy to perform at 2022 FIFA Fan Festival. Obviously, the video so performing, but it's been a while I've seen the video. My name is Aboy. Ghana is shooting behind you. All the very best. Kwana kose hono maye because yeta wachi. Ni na ye fight to say artists be beko you honom star. Inti yeta wachi pen ye Aboy. Stay away. Stay away. Fake people, stay away. Just stay away. Yemen American. Yvonne Nelson. Or to Twitter. I don't know, but assembly ya tropa na ye wa hu se ye ne ho why ye no bi amansa so na brabontina je hu de cause these industry ladies keep approaching me trying to get into my business when they realize I can't pretend or fake like the whole industry does. They get mad. You want a plot of land, I hooked you. Okay. The chebo bi pass as the amano. Nti no wa o share we bia no me pacho. Eya mama adwuma na ngeden ma me. Nya fi na me kwa hwehwe comment wa na me kwa hwe de etru shade bebe. Say adwuma na se me jaye me den pen ye because eya wa na wa babontin. Now so abetro. I got the land and what else? Na ye hu say because in some doors to pay, you know, I can't really stress about nyema we say. Madaroma. And yes, I talk about people. Medru ahonfe patria, you know. I talk about people. We say I talk about people. I really wanted to reply comments ningina and because ohene ya kind entertainment news what you saying. Once a one celebrating so one say because what samba idea will be meka into one say entertainment news. So what trends say me am trend mam dem masem sha say. What trends nim o ye celebrity. Wa bra bona nya o de abiem. Only public no na eche. And I won't perceive you about when some can want me too for nano pay. Fato them, fato you for bow hall. But the two social and so. Why invite me? Make me too much. It's me being the sister Sandy. I'm the guy's queen.
Sandy. Where do you guy? Sister Sandy be a guy.
I wish I make hospital aba. Me the menine ko eye clinic. It's animal vampire. I'm the guy's queen. Welbeck with Fiam Sandra, Akapo, Osmosis, Albert Priscilla. And a part Lizzie and a chimen in mammy. I hospital, may ba hosisi and a kwame booze akwa enye.
Rasepa samwa kwa baby me Adom TV Badwam na uguso no Sister Sandy be a guy de ahosepe no awie yesre mo amototo ball munya na ye adwuma oka ye na ukoto ball na uko sai ne ba bia na wo ye ne den enya ball toto waka ne de boko munya isa na de ono akro ka fa no hokora ma ye hwe wo ogina chire ti mumye ni na ho pa nyame hira ye ma munyina afihia pa biem afisa se na nkwane ahoden wo ho na bibi ekoso mo amu free akono nso nyame fa mo nkomra na emumi ahia wo Facebook/Adom TV ifise nkomo ayedru so no ehia se otie biem ma me na maboafo yasem ansana enkomo na wo ho no mede abramo me wo St Andrew Senior High School senior high school awofo abatan echi ne benche wo betumi de oba no akohonum ye wo boarding ye wo day so ntimfa ho ne ba bi a wo hwe me se school no na wo pese wo de oba no konkon ade a wo betumi de no aba courses ni nyina so wono mu kire bi e wo St Andrew Senior High School ye do ma se Kelkate toothpaste nso twitwu basen anopa ne anwumre na bo abrofra no ho ban free kaka ene esimu anyarwa ahodo obatan se wo ye bi akra no ohwe ono no nso usuanti anopa yi ahoɔden a de hye mu twitwi ne se no safa ahoɔden kro na hye mu anwumre fama no eno ne the last one obeye ansan na wada anadwo mu nyina hunsa akra ne sen ye bo ho ban kidi ministry upon so eye duro nkra won pa aduane eno na ewoso wo monomo a hunsa afo wadidie mu nsam no na ensakraye ahodo abem Piwak Natural Health wo modro ye ba ko pa wadwama so 3p garlic mixture no bi na mo ahoɔden na asrafo wo ni padua mu no wo mo ho nya denti ade bi eba na wadi ni so enkuni mo ko pharmacy ne heba shops bi mu a ehon so benya bi ato sanyuma ko ya daroma eno mbo ye chidom se yemfa afisem enkomo enfamro 3p be kan wo mo ho asemidie paninu ankasa ewo ha Dr. Nelson Mototi ene 3p ya ka ho asem a ye be se simu bi mfisi enim de ye ewo de padua ni mu garlic de uhia bi ne wie ne ye odin enu ti ena nyimdie mu nyamede adom no a ode aye nsu aduro aye numu a unte sent bi akura se wanum garlic na wawe garlic bi ti ene no ba bedi enkomo 9 lessons kwasi ade baso e ba ne edisa enkomo mema doctor akwaba Dr. Afishapa
afingo ba sai homne
afisa se na nkwane ahoden ewo ho na Piwak gina ne nine so sabe ya ye Piwak 3p atade die na je se nkunimdie no amu ane na mo nyame enka woni wadwuma efo ho onko so anu munyansa ne nimdie 3p garlic mixture ebo adwuma garlic die ye
sanity
ntie we
yo anope macha Ghana fo nyina mama obi biara Afishapa Piwak ye de no ma pa bia badwama nso a ye boy hu dawro ama Ghana fo nyina ensatimi aka no ma pa ye wo eni de bia me ka se ye koso a ye didi a ye nom ye home die eye den a efini no mahodo ebekọ nipadua no emu nipadua no hia srade na ode ye na adwuma na ebro so a ewon sonso bone a ede ba nipadua no eso kwan papa ben so na ye betimi abo a ye betimi asiesie nipadua na ma nipadua no etimi agina nan so sa no pay se wo ahoden taxi driver wa sorry na wanya hoden bia na wanya hokeka bi na wo de ye wa adwuma e bia wutie me na wo ye kuani eno pay wa sorry wafa okutokuro wo ko afum wakonya hoden bia wo de kokoye adwuma e de na ehye wo nkran market woman e bia wasi so a wo ko dwem na wo ko boa mabusuanya bia di e de na ehye wo nkran ade ehye wo nkran na ma hokeka no eni wapom de mpa kita wo apom de mpa ya de asombo mo odasane bia se efiri wonsa ema de wo ye biara no otimi se enkoye ema ase esum eduru
se so ntimi nya hwem
dabi bibia ni ho otimi yema na ye enti apom de mpa ya de bia ehya se enipa bia wote ase no ehwa se wo pre na eboa ma obi biara etimi koye eno so nti ebe a wo budget no ma hodo afinu kwa wiye yeme na wo nipadua no nso no nhihye mapa bempa na wo yama nipadua na ema wo dwene ema wo koba wo siesie se meye we no de na wo ye de aboa we na piwakfo adwene ganafo nyina eni wiase nyina ho se saa na tie de a ye didi a ye home a ye nomi na ya pomode mu nsam so hia de ene ye betimi anya one of the best garlic mixture eduru no botaye no se ye no mu a one ekoni padua no mu a ebetimi akwakoyi efin intini ahodo a efi enipati ekosi ni fom a moja famu no yebe masa intini nyina mu ada ho na moja etimi asane na se emo bi ba nipadua no mu a ye immune system no a produce bibia fa antibodies na etimi a fight no etimi ayisa how na den etimi efiri ho yetimi asiare ya na de ano kwan se de enkofa how emra ye eno nti na doi ene epiwafo ye de boa Ghana eni ewiase nyina so ntemi na ebitimi bisa 3p garlic mixture ebibidura yanfan keja na yanwa edue musi nsuo bi anim enso hwe liquid content ye wo mu na ekwan ben so na mo fa so a edue wo hwe se de nsuo ahodo e wo ma wo so timi se we de liquid pan e wo aha piwak fo de enti na mo ka se bi nsuo bia eni sa edue mu de pese ye ka cha Ghana fo nyina na se de wo hu kwadu ye noa ansa na yedi akutu ye noa ansa na yedi abrabe ye noa ansa na yedi na ye ka vitamin C ahodo ani padua ne hia onyankopɔ ni nyansa ene nimdiem no ye hia sa na o natural na a protect ni padua no ye immune system no etimi eden ay strong ene ntina onyankopɔ e de mayensa piwak force ye said ye de sa nyansa nimdie no ene de yakosua e wo suapo mu team of research ye de be ka ho na ye boa ye nananom no mapa bi a mo gya to ho no ene ye be pejam a ye nam so a ebibidura yamfa nkeja na yanwa sensi a wunya ye twetwe ni nyina fi plant mu na eden e baaye sauti ya sem ene piwak fo ko ye fo a ya ye yantamu a ye boa Ghana ye timenya the raw material juice ye betimi a produce one of the best garlic unique drugs ene e betimi aboa mpempem enti eduro na wo hu oto ni nyina vitamin C nsuo ni nyina vitamin C a no water bia anim sauti ya sem enti emu ne ye twetwe enwene no garlic ni no ma hodo bebre ye dia fresh vitamin C ya amasa eduro ene e bo adwuma obetimi na eduro no wo de gu wonu mu a wo fele se bibi awure ni padua no mu na infifire bi ahyase se etiu esanse the naturality of the drug say that dey natural papa na organic no nti eni nti awure ni padua no mu a wa otimi se bibi aba eno any 3p garlic mixture ye de ma wiase nyina se ebere adu se 3p ye besom na ya boama apom dimpa etimi akoso ene ye maame bi e wo Canada e friend madam Julian Asante ye chia no esanse 3p garlic mixture wato 2 na mo de mane no wo Canada na wontimi nante watena dem 4 months okay obubogu dem 4 months na obi recommend 3p man in fact ene wanante okwa adwuma in fact wo Canada dollar na wo send ye mensaka nyankopo wo nhyira papa ne nyina ye 3p adwuma pa edo na ye na ono so o mama chede e wo ho de ka Ghana fo nyina no se 3p garlic mixture no eboa wo mo amanya mojaboso hypertension se mojaboso how etito Ebia me no say what na do for 15 20 sometimes we do obi ho say my bread manuma do some my bread cha say enipa no kasa kra na no mpampan kra no wuti edru south cha say ogin so kra wuti ni kidney any ni liver ni no I too much associated of drugs south ya say kwan ben so pa na ebetimi aboa ama no BP edru for a long time piwak say ya the 3P garlic mixture na abase fa support BP edru na wo no mo no na entimi emwa na edru etimi yi toxins bibia edi side effects bi brown 3P no etimi strengthen liver and kidney no etimi dia boa wo de ka chaga na fo nyina no we enye de wo ti keke but ye pese wo nipa na wo kwa wo ba no wa pom din na esombo ma wo no ebra wo ye investment no hwese wa pom din pa eno so be invest wo ho na ye di 3P etimi aboa eno nti ye se obi biara se emfa ho ni mojaposo hypertension na tito na hypertension so de wonu say na wie ye stroke so ti ase yare no oba no okọ no akrawa or the stroke and a jato hamo so ti ase enti 3P garlic mixture no e boa wo ama sa how ye a wo nam no etimi aboa papa ama no makuye
yenye number no o hwe screen na see numbers no
yes ye numbers ayi de djuma no 0248 92 8824 and answer 020 100 another 0021 we your numbers are pure for free na ye bejo so na yetimi abo e bia xmas wo achede bi de che obi sauti ase e bia wa hamper na to 3P no de ahye finfin o package no kama sauti ase na wo de akwache obi ade ba ko aye nika na nipa bebre na nim se e bia wo fi se o e bia sikan ko na metimi de ache but se o package 3P e bia wo pri obi apom den se enko yema na eye bibia sombuma onipa dase
yedase yamishra pa tiene waka ni say na so package mu
papa yes regana for say ukodwaman so na ko 3P na hwe say do no wo eto a ebom ni tie boss yakokọ garlic kokọ ko pharmacy ni herbal shops bia wotie ye no ko na kwati wo 3P garlic mixture na edupai
yamishra pa 3P eye piwak for muni aye djuma bebre yamishra ye bompa ye afedance ye bese hia mo ahoden so sa yamishra muti no e wa dwama so edoni ye ba akopɛ piwak 3P garlic mixture ye ba akopɛ emwa wo nipadua no sanfro moja ne mo na stroke bi en free nipadua ne mo ye do mo ase me no mo awie sisi me kwaba ne edi nkomo me so onyi free ha bi se ticket ne so me cha ne se me che because bese kwasiada me hia wo e wo National Theatre nti twem sisi a meba
Adom TV Festival of 9 Letters and Carols no Basu Kwesiada 18th December 2022 7 p.m. sharp na nyomtofo eba be wo so asiendo ebiye so winners Ekiache Memorial Youth Choir Creamy and afi MOG ebusiafo fa phone sese ya neto wo tickets you also we ya ne say obebo short code *713*003# now I select one. We select one we are now I select Adom TV Festival of 9 Lessons and Carols. I think so. Upetimi enya ticket ni bia to Joy FM front desk. Bachona Total, Airport Shell, and in National Theatre Sadanwa. Jumedie, nyumekua aso yasini eye.
Pepe. Enti nyame ya adoma kwasiada 7 p.m. na makachero se ne yete ho. Ne ya sha si o. Eye 7 p.m. no ne ye bie gate o. Yete wa ya start show no. Enti ye ne bench ye for Cape Coast for musemo ba. Ai Kumase for ba. Enti Brantam by 6 the gate no gina ne bie na wuram. Pese wo ye comfortable tenanimu. Sabe ya Yakuma Wood actress ne actors no. Obetimi ehunu wo mo ani kan say say the way omo aye Yesu de no twi ne ade no anu odin utie wo hwe Bible mu de na wo hwe yankofo de ya wo besere wu ya ye no fie bebre nyame adom nso nti afi bia nso ahoɔden ne moa no free and sponsors ne mpanifo ho ne ahyehyɛ ne de aba ne nyina ya hia wo bia ti sey na ya tie bi ya futuo nso nsam a ye de ebo bra dwomtofo nso madaroma ya de bebre nso eba ai anumtofo no bebre pass through anyame ya adomu a wo tie no na fei wo se jedwom egu akoma ho ma hu se by the time ye be wie show na obedu fie no wo se ne ma asesa afere nyina na kɔbeto ye ti se beto saa bremu a na ye hia wo ba bi ati se ya na wo so wa ba bi ye wo hia ye 30 Ghana cedis oba Joy FM ha kokomlemle ha ubenya bi ato bacho na total so ubenya bi ato ewo ho 30 cedis ana se hashtag no kra we hia hashtag na filmeni so afa mani so ba se opeso to online so a star 730 star 003 hash star 730 star 003 hash online 30 cedis now so to be and pay say ye di kan echebie ye bie ye show na no fisa mo so ye say echebi e de amamo na me kan no say ya hwefo mo doso yentimi mo bia bibia baako nti ye program bi say ya na ye yibi na afi wa wo be frɛ no na onso ye de ama we kura ya ye mma question bebrebe an no so bia so ate ase ofra no waba because money na atena afi muni nyina tisi ye ma ticket 30 cedis sebra na behwe bia say ye ne kwa so a no nti 9 lessons and carols no baso nyame eya adom a eye kwasiada nti me hwemu nyina mo ni mu kwan se mo beba na afi bibia aye kama pa edi amu obia mra baako oh ampedu obia mra na unya 30 cedis a wona okro no 30 cedis na je say wani mu ana okro no pese me ma wo mu a eba no bi so hu aha nti ye men kind ye so emfama nti opese auto online no so say the whole screen no eso no ma mensa mo boma obiem star 713 star 713 star 003 hash na chese odi ato ticket no hu say temakra ye hu promo to won say obe ye process we no obe hu Adom TV 9 lessons aha no wa click also then auto ticket na no 30 cedis bibia information bi odi be ma obia nso no keep in mind because do gate no e sense auto no online into no e ho nso sa ne ya hwede amawo entutu bibia ntwene information bia feedback bi odi be ma no keep it to do gate and say odi a kire say won to odi no e wo online ba me phone line si na mahwefo papa bi e kire ne benche ye ebi anopa no ye bi ye no ahomache no na onye ready opportunity na sa ba ma obiem ye pese ye hia wo mo de mo hu ye me pese me nsu me hu mo so ate ase aha wo no wa hu me sa fe wo be hia me abonten o frɛ me maje o so de but wo say afa na mayira me say hwan o say o me show wo TV so ampa o hwɛ me da se ba mpese me hia wo nso 101 na twetwetwa mfonyini no a nyame adom ene wa hwe enso nti numbers na me phone lines ni 0302 211 701 702 703 704 0302 211 701 702 703 704 medofo frɛ me na menche ticket ni bi na won so bra Adom TV 9 lessons and carols na yenji eni Kumawood actress ne actresses no so wona bed bi eni don little ginamu den sanso na Michael Lafrane Matilda Sari Hotel chinchina etwan papa kuma se wayosi okonfo colleague ba ma me nkwa ahoma no so menya me first caller e was so me do me mo official pa
Baza me o mama nsa official pa
afisa se na nkwane ahoden wo ho na me do fo be ni
Baza your friend me Valerie now free here no pay Baza me free
teshi na nyame yadom akwasi ade ye dey
Baza ye Adom TV 9 lessons and carols
now beba
Baza
den wa na opese wo hu no da kwasi ada
Baza pese me hu Christiana
awuni ubehu ne dodo enti ene e fa detail nyina ama me sound engineer no na wo ticket wo ho na wo do idea ba na jawa ba beje wate yeda ase bebre so yeda ase
Baza me down
yo Gloria so ahoma no so mama Gloria no pay ye chia o
let's wait you so
official pa afisa se na nkwane ahoden wo ho ne ye hiem oba pa na afra bi free here no pay Ashaman ene o do obeba why na da kwasi ada wo hwe nanimu
The person who would just be able to comment on, we are there.
Oh, and who me anu atap me na say de e wo say ye bia na aye ya me hira nti wo ticket no so ya available ha ye hia say odi odi be ma me sound engineer no why wo ba fa ticket be wo ID bra bra fast na beje why me pa cho me cho Gloria on hira wo so yada mo ase papa say ye dwumadi aye ye nyina mo hwe na mo ni so bra Ben wo so Ben anopai ye mo official pa
afi committee
afi say na hoode ne nkwa wo ho na bibia ekoso kama
amen
na ya se uguso e Adom TV fi say wazo ye na bra Ben free here no pay
come on me free keko
we ye fie o
fie
na yes na nyame adom abetimi aba
nyame adom abetimi aba pa
wow me mo wa kire na mo ba kwa me hu de menyamo nyame hira pa na why na wo expecting that kwasi ada no
the person me who sister Sandy.
Yeah. Wayosi, sister Sandy the guy. Ubeburu no dodo entertainment prefect. On the star BIB. Now why you ready for TikTok there?
Maxima ready,
Sandy do she na won on TikTok you.
That's papa be proper me TikTok fa.
Eh, dey ebesu ho. Enti Mr. Fodi nyina ma me sound engineer ma me why na beju ticket no. Nyame yadom ebe show ani mo nso why.
Okay.
Yada ase pi nyame show. Osimo mpacha ho na woso yi. Ofo France woso ana ya wie. Odofo mo official pa.
Josie.
Please hello TV no volume no my any nkomo wo phone so why?
I think coming.
Afisa say na nkwane ahoden wo ho.
Ayo me pa cho yo. Me pa se me hu papa.
Ai, I don't know. Kwesi ade ye dia daji o.
Hello?
Felicia. O vim na de kasa no kwa my confused.
Hello?
Mame.
Tita fear. Me pa se ba me hu pa.
Me so me twa wo den.
Wo ya me fe bia. Me ta fo me say me from me kasa free farmer.
Oh, ahaye. Send you the word do cry. Faudi ni nyina ma me sound engineer na beju ticket na me so me pese me share wo pa.
Me pa say
me se Faudi nyina ma me sound engineer
no na police odro me dey the police
odro yo nyama fa hantam na bra beju
me kata free farmer ka blekuma
yo oba Priscilla wa ha no beju ticket no wo no ho Priscilla oba no beju ticket no wo no ho ya brantam nso why okay. Enti mabna so e wo so me say mabna be me last caller. Ai mama fa mabna nwie. Mabna official pa.
Auntie.
Na mabna free here no pay.
But me free pram.
Oh, now pram dey also betumi aba ntam kora. Sanya me yadoma wo ba na hwana wo hwehwe na da kwasi ada no.
Eh mam pacha wow.
Ade adwuma na ya wie kura mesra mo. Oba ya mama hu ansa because I also picture na esu what I say bra then I was I lucky so when you complimentary ticket it for the nyina ma me sound engineer so mo but on sa wo wanya we I also to be mad for mo ba 30 cedis so what I say mo to na wo ba me expect ni pa be 3 kan ho na ye hia
medium be ba do
mo wo do mo ba na obi akra ni ticket o mo nyamisha pa yada se me enfa ye course no ensi ha na wo my lucky amonya bie no nyame yadmo obi amra we no disappointment kura bra ye me disappoint obi a live and colored anwuma ibesu bibia besu ba wo akire ye a wo pese wo so to ticket ni be wo ba ko ye de na star 713 star 003 hash star 713 star 003 hash 30 cedis. Into where follow prompt no. Ebe mo abo so be hu Adom TV 9 lessons wo ho. Na se o click so. na fe wutua o to ticket na no bedof mu nyina momra na nyame wa ye bidodo wa ya ma ye fe wa ya ma ye nwanwa ahokyere de bibia mu adepache bibia ukọ wanim bra na ne bibia nkoso kama adwomtofo no so wo mo ba de bra na yemfa dwom jeje wa baba emoji ne latest bia guy no ojina na so do sofo obonyo ma wa hu se enum no isu to ono so beba creamy so ba na ho abiem kra ya na fo mani so kakra but o munyina so ba youth kwai kwa krachewa youth kwa o munyina eba ti nyame ya adom eba PR so ba o man hene eba obi eba kwasi nsia 6 packs ono so ba enti to ticket no online PR man nsa asa ya ma o complimentary tobi na also munyina momra 7 pm ne ya shase tobi sesi one month am ya sam hu se nkofo DQ so brown to de e ma ne nsansa no afre why me pacha obi anto ne de na nyame ya adom akwasi ada enhia ye na awurade ase ana brema kwan na ye de asie na ma me fanka ebo we mawo Ghana Revenue Authority mpanifo de to obi bia nim ne titru ne wona a register value added tax VAT no domestic tax revenue division no say obi a woto de eso otua na se ye VAT se bia digital ya na bi mo oteti fancy invoice no so na afa ba bi we digital online to ye pe ye behu wa wontua nso emra no wo ho no ubedi no den October no ene wo mo hyase wo mo gisu kaye obi a entua ne de tua wo de tua wantua wo de a GRFo hu se na nso mo ne nam offices no hu aso mo abetumu empese ye betu de tua mo na ye nyina ye fa mo a omen medi de afia amankwa tamaklo meko oman hene kwabna sante aye krado de pense mu no etwaso edase
Affiliate Adom TV Festival of 9 Lessons and Carols 2022 Eyeye Sumpededo Shia Matilda Asari Michael Afrane Christiana Awuni Dada Santo Awoya Otele Salinko Otali Atemuda Shefo
so ya saba back here try come on so say men ka say fiama kwata maklo ye da say also dia be do sa point we non ko pepepe ye pije mu kwasiada ye de ni kire say wa onim dada Adom TV a festival of 9 lessons and carols and baka just say carrot it you lessons you na carrot or grow where and you listen about come me say carrot the cover carrot no one it the amarufi it's going to be exciting no say sha de so nkokra take it no pe bi ato a so person turn online meji abotre de amana make star 713 star 713 star 003 hash na fi was select one na was select Adom TV Festival of 9 Lessons and Carols na fi what ticket no baby I will be a relax our office with free baby I should be and meet me online so na make I say and which is no the NTS our background say ye wo nipa wono be mo watimi ase ware ho ni biegu omo sua de sonko bi ho so kra unhia omo da you know kuma wood stars do na unhia omo da yeah ye wo adwuma he bia wo hwe yati ya unhia ye da enti ye nso ye be ba beta kire kwan sonko so unhia Dada Santos unhia Michael Afrani unhia Awoya Otele Konfo colleague unhia Temuda Salinko Shefo Don Little Wayosi Osha Matilda Asare onyina eba ama ebia timi akokama so auto advance ticket na 30 cedis 30 Ghana cedi is very important onyame de Kenya National Theatre kwasiada we 18th of December 2022 nimekuwa so asema jumedi we timi akokama kama maeno your CD low price masters durable and affordable 2 Mirak Herbal Center RSFE Rockstars Roofing System, the key to your roofing needs. Duffy's Health and Beauty, the hand of God. Core Mixture, the medicine that works. Compu Ghana, passion for technology. KFC, it's finger licking good. Monsi Ventures, the pride of Africa. Yum Vita, infant cereal with milk. ADB, truly agric and more. Mensua Herbal, just okay, Franco Trading Enterprise, phone Papa Fee, Mikado Conference Center, service unlimited. And Live On 2 feminine wash, Stay fresh to impress. Calipo. Abi, you know that. Anafe, Midima for Herbal Clinic. And also, I saw Kwanso Koso. Until Marinfi, Patrona, Total, so when you be on Oba, Joy FM, Multimedia, Joy FM, premise also, and also Ubinya be at all. Adom TV, Festival of 9 Lessons and Carols, 2022, Afibia de Bro, and it's exciting. An experience you can't and you shouldn't miss. Very, very important. Now, back to studio. Now, Makai also said, now we had on the 30th and 31st of this very month, December, I have a homecoming. It may be on the 1st of January 2023. Yeah, they brought into Shannon. So 30th, 31st of December 2022. Now, if you are on the 1st of January 2023, homecoming. For this year, a chichini bench, more country, more Ghana. Maybe I'll to be out for this year. Or more for each fee. Na yenko fee, yenko CC fee, yenko 200 in India. We have the business summit. Womb, the church, and my baby, and dear phone I've been for. You are grow a good young can be brewed. Your mess I have for so on bonfire night, no say a juma live band session. It is a Telmusa, Nanamus Webuja, Cassia Pa, Jumedi, His Excellency another Danko Kufuado, Anafi, or take a course or 2 say to Muna. You one baby Grace, I might be back or come. I am for near him, near Titu, at the Munamasi local organizing committee, and then Ira Gamma, CEO Bichim United, Dr. Anafi Nana Baswa, members of parliament under the able leadership of the regional minister, George Boache. We are so grateful. Dennis Miracles Abuaje, Director of Local Government and Rural Development at the Presidency at Nasi. Sansona Lawyer Chumberema Okwendi Samanyu Konuswa Onoso at Nasi. Lawyer, the Intia me person no Eddie Dikane ye. Me buy a name say one menu Dikane dis and common on a manual seminar ye and yen to your boss na into Tunio May. Me who say yen common. A woman, but me see if you take because Ghana here come be more than the end. You be this common because we are major stakeholders in this country and a potential government in waiting. Inti nyoma bi there dia as I say dia nkopone am hihye etimi kasa bi we kaya metena hala me ka kire wo say saa manyo sema ye ya ehwinhwan ye ho si fom wie ni asa ba be ka kire wo say e nuane abusua no me de enya ni so ma me ha adwene after Cape Coast. Lots of revelations are a mama party, no. Somehow, BBB or Honomono. For instance, Adom FM4, Ira Johnson, the Sidwin Katia, Ninkomo Biokodi, Abeto Bonting, and one so and nobody they find that the worker at anymore. NDC went to court without figures because of coalition system crashed, as Sidwin Katia, they can say. At this point, they are not prescribed our party. No.
All right, thank you. Sorry. And apparently, I'm coming for I share I said in Katia tape, you know, it would be wrong on the part of anybody to take it halfway. I think it's about almost a 15-minute tape. Material. And he was talking to party people, obviously. The man who said, I was on the style of campaign now this time, you know, as compared to some other candidates, or no constituency. Sorry, man. Or constituency to constituency, and then as some other candidates in this be one way in a cluster. But no, the constituency be what I'm told, and say we could do or no more didn't come in or mark a coin and my was on a question. No, so you know. That is what I'm told. Now, you and I know very well, sir, and your party member, whether it's an executive or whatever, and she said, and that's one opportunity to put a question when you answer. But what's answering me, you say, when it comes to your elections, and then when some about 2020, many are those who have different perceptions and ideas, mindset be about the see beyond the okay. Many are in group what you can say, young court to that evidence, you need the information be uncle. What to be? So obviously, I was not surprised when we are Kusha party for So national chairman you get not so quite some for Mr. question. People will be asking that kind of questions. Because they are brain on TV behind the curtain. And the winner pennies are obviously a reasonable party member. Sorry. Will ask, say, hey. And some other be some part in the city. And the person would like to get some kind of better and detailed explanation to them. So, until I make us a better so we be the entire tape and son won't make judgment on it. And not take it in halfway. Because to do an interpretation on anything, whether a document or whatever, take it as a whole. Was he really talking?
Mean to describe as a party. What's really happening?
In terms of
Nyoma to go about I am piano or personally.
Oh no, and I'm mature. I was to say, and money be ever want to shooting first of all come out. I will blame those who are recording and taking them out.
But the case of Sammy and Pablo and Bojaja.
Oh, I want to go one year different. Mamini can deal with I want to educate first. The recording the carbon is wrong because the national chairman Ebesamo constituency. General Secretary Ebesamo constituency, and I say more regional not mood department common. One would be any abontin common. Teniba. If you have some party in commodity, the question of which is not necessarily an external matter, necessary for the matter. If you have some party wasam, as some way the ya can't. What's ya what to be? And maybe before the trade about the beer, want to be. What to be? So if somebody ask a national organizer, ask a general secretary, ask a national chairman, say that I don't think there's anything wrong. But where I see something wrong is the one who will record and try to play mischief with it and then be throwing it out into the public domain. Because some of them within come. More money NDC for mostly executives, and maybe you may find party sympathizers and be about anymore or executive there. But if you come on the and this a Japanese betrayal, near business of an annual court. No, Mr. Bushansa see edge. O can see any. No, you bush off and trim, send up on the so that's it. I don't personally, I don't see anything wrong with that. And then some can tell me because it's 79 years, no, we are no better questions. Sense no can see an sense. Since then obviously he's lying. But since then, as a political party, we make sure that they see and even see. On the other hand, my key advice is say those who are in the front line who are communicative for both sides, should just be decorous with their words and comments. In the sense that, for a new gas and a benefit. In this, we are meeting now. Over super major. Now, at the corner, I was family or watch now. Be careful. Be careful. It's a benefit. Ubi watch na. Nyango pon near my watch na. As human, we don't know. And this year, not careful. Na you can't send me a woman in the enemy. To send me to go one. Now what's na? Wunya brand no some tani bi mu tani empani se bia no ase wo kodo atene won kodo ho eno ntini se me kan sam na de o tie mi nda cameraman na ojina watiko cameraman ya ojina mu na me hu nda me ta ba no me nsia nda fa se na me kan bi wa na so tiko na be the next time bi ni me nsia no a woni wo de ko
jodo de ne ko dada
se me samba me chi betene no a want so that is why you need to be careful with whatever we are saying, whether for someone or against someone. And a cinema will be some of us, personally, I decided to tell me that kind of open support, open declaration, maybe. Because my principle is very simple. In a political party, every Sunday canary is a royal.
In a political
party. And you need position be a group penny. Like as a national chairman there, Chuma Bush and Kwan no. Unlike I in someone, you are a kunabi and Dabusiabimu. Asantimamu, Asantina Kuna at Ayukufo. Now, so now you couldn't walk Ukrum Tapa. And the Babes are going to know. You couldn't what dementia. And they give me. So what I say? But in the political party, somebody can come from Paga down to Accra and be contest national chairman and win. So once you are fit and proper character-wise, who are quite me a preposition BAB. Name ya pre no, yen share ye kasamu, ya ni yemu, said the baya ye ria. You make me a kay who abua. I am back, I could pre Cassian is enim na yepano. But you know, to end on that now, I'll borrow a word meaning I used the last time you buy. I was saying a bitchum.
When you
okay. Yeah. A bitchum means one of those things. You do me say no, yeah, prenua. I didn't do so.
But I'm done no Kasai. So we need to stop this kind of politics.
I agree.
It's every one means we find Chibima. Come on.
It's true. And
so one no patra. I said no more baby.
And anytime I trust one more Cassandra very careful whatever they say, whether for or against. I agree with you perfectly. Because why I'm sure Cassandra here, try to tell pro mine. And now when we see a better than the BI, when we see a solo, there are people who take a substance of yes, add to YouTube.
Yes.
Yeah. They take a substance of that and put it there, they are making their money from it anyway. Yeah. But do you know the effect? The effect is that some people are kind it's there. What's not? Somebody will just go and pull it and just put it like a environment. No, I can't do it. So we need to be careful. Whether I'm saying it for you or I'm saying it against you, me we should be careful. Because Kaun is a member that I don't swallow because I area. Yapon. A jebo, Jana never do ye. A feature any other for the Acadiaca. I said, the Acano. So, who can say for some of the Bray? Who can say you get every Bray? Which she not on the winning Yavan.
Okay, so, Miracle.
When you are blessed with Transident, how can I ask you what you does?
So, was assembly. Now I call now. Me see, I fit him, then I see my coming out. So, who pass it beyond my head on way, and we are not bones. We are not. Oh my, me bought Minia George Operado Pablo Abaso. And you see, there's a certain dangerous pretense via your politicians say, yeah, the data your followers. And I think say it's high time, yeah, a woman, in your opportunity, and I think yesterday I listened to him and he did justice to a lot of the issues. Oh my, NDC for me come with you, baby. NDC for a bammy fee, baby. MPP for a coin NDC for penny for fee, baby. NDC penny for a coin, baby. Igna Diago.
That's high politics.
We may call elections are NDC for a be your posters more, a be your flyers more. Almost all call elections are your posters may be more, your flyers may be more. Because you see, all party internal elections no, and family. Would dear affect me? Means media affect you. It's a who call internal elections and I may come internal election now, Badwam. You haven't done anything extraordinary. You are helping me, and as I'm helping you based on a personal relationship you're heading. So what is this thing about NDC phone come as a munina? As a we Matisse say the Katias for some of now for MPP mu, and I say na Pablo now for MPP mu. Omo can omina enough for. Say me ka say omo mo accuse Pablo, omo mo accuse for. Me ka say e bobo mu din and ye CCTV cameras aba. Omina bon so mo ba. Yes, we are come ho. Because you see, as from political party na ye no. Ene inter-party ni intra-party ni different. Party internal issues no different from party abonting relationship. There's no way I'm a person lawyer chum be win elections. But see, we na say e di anwa mo bom a. E be di bom. It is a me lawyer chum di anwa mo after this show. And then just say the oka ayi na me ne adwen. Me ne nya adwen. Say na me ko ati say. From day one, I knew say Pablo will win the elections. Not because Pablo can ever give power to the NDC. And I say Pablo is a friend to the MPP. But he's a good guy. And me can't say I support Pablo. And so we need that on our more we say nipa no me kono me kodi na dey as MC. Enti ebe me de say me nua bema say me ne ko share o platform kra na ye counter ye ho a oye me nua me ne ye den. When them person ebusu ne be kono nim. NDC ni mu no, don't we have family members in NDC ya? Omo ebusu afo MPP. Na John Jina Pokra ye NDC ni ya. Na Pablo na ye NDC ni. John Jina Pokra na ni nua be man nipo. Eye MPP, cabinet minister no. Why are we doing this to us? Why are we picking and choosing? Ye ni MPP for announcing ya MPP NDC contest ba ko call national chair ba ko call youth organizer we MPP ntafo.
Anya
what is wrong with that? Why are we doing this?
Why are we
doing this to ourselves? Who are posters? In fact, why have we said back on the platform, back on the youth organizer poster on the corner? Pablo is a good only me. You bought me the SMC. Pablo, or no never far
assembly ho NDC members nyina no petututu no be so mensem no dem ko gina o manim e wo NDC constituency chairman fie no ka che NDC assembly members say me nuani mo ko confirmation mo nyina mo to abama no me out of the 78 votes at the assembly I got 76
and you tune for MPP
yeah tune for MPP and there any more so my catch that say problems in the air so what you say it obi say no obi Pablo obi say no oye me predecessor MC cry board be boa me nti say me be hu so obi di president na say okọ akodi me ka say e ma ne nko now ya fa ma Pablo e ma me the party mu asem ya fa ma na ye fa ma me nti say party ni mu nsem na mo ko fa nipa ba ko na say unuya wo mu dia ade na ye fa ma ne ye fa ma we he's a good guy and me I knew he was going to win because see before I went to replace Pablo in Equiapem North he was very young. Pablo ko DMC I think he was like 25 years
he's young
say na me what he has here and no nchire say Pablo be the youth organizer obetumi ma MPP and NDC win election and MPP lose election but NDC mu no omo kwakọ yi obi no me nua onu fi me krom Equiapem e ka ho me ntumi nkokọ mbọ mpa ye so lose na yemfa mo bi foforo no den me nimu no empo sa asamo ba between MPP and NDC na say pese ye so we a me say metumi afa phone wo bi nua na man bi say anada nkrofo no mu yesi we dey mbo man no ehwe ne me so me nkrofo be den e be kasa what is wrong with that mo twa bonne for almost 4 months mo twa bonne dinner time there was one ugly video bi cry I have told and none of my party was almost here because enyefe ba ku bi cry there yare nyina mo twa bonno edu be bi cry do mo say o mpena no be mpena fo be ho internal mo party mu enti I am only saying say so who say bia obi e wo NDC mu na o ka miracles once empa eno nchire say miracles NDC. How many times haven't I praised Sami Jemfi, Philosopher Sukwache, Erike J, Edem Agbanenko? Because my Sami Jemfi's age or the year National Communications Officer may NDC. Mihuna, I give him a lot of respect. It's a huge achievement. Say a very young guy at that age, I will create such a very huge portfolio for such a huge political party. What's him ranting in Edim? If I say that, it doesn't mean all of a sudden I am NDC and Sami Jemfi is MPP. Sami Jemfi me praising Debbie doesn't mean so MPP. So say that me quality.
Mokunda biya.
So you could biya. So you could biya. But come on, he's a young, vibrant guy. In spite of all his weaknesses, challenges, it is a huge achievement for him as a young person. And same for Pablo. And for me, for Pablo to survive what he survived, Sami Jemfi Pablo Mbuno. Because contest, no Pablo and Sami Jemfi the choir, and then the whole establishment Sami Jemfi chair and a Pablo here a and I can tell you, say no one have Pablo in Sami Jemfi college will be trying to boom. It is evident from the numbers and in the figures. All I am saying is that, and when he say best say once, you to me, and that brings me to a second step. Lawyer cannot tell us say we should brush it aside. I have consistently said it on my Facebook wall and everywhere. Say NDC political party no. The members are suffering. Upon one, me a survive broken hearts power my way NDC member. Because ya kotuaba. Unim say we lose. Unim say we lose. Now I call Adom TV so I catch your members say we win. And to make demonstration. Near tons so she go so no more to a board pray from home. But you in your boardroom, you know you are putting the people at risk for nothing. Ye kaya komo say eboa. Omu trading Emma judges from unanimous FC. E denigrate your judicial system no. The judicial system na tem running it down. Said they are biased towards the MPP because omu do case akọ court. Emma court na yede enti omu. Years down the line. Uti say din ketia asem na eye unambiguous, eye straight to the point or say no correct. Ye to me and quality your results. What it means is that whether you lost or you won, you couldn't have known. And you couldn't have known whether you were cheated or not because you don't have the assumption. You assume you say me lose because you me. The party for now court no. Judges na catch up point blank say you are here on a fishing expedition. That was the word. Almost say there be ye tie wasem ni mu a. Asa wunni nyina so bia wa bakot de mom. Why you say membra court na me medua ansem mu hwe say ye be ka ba wie no. Menye bibie fim na me dey me case a. Enu nti me amfa hwe yamba na mo yemfa isi metina daka nim na me ntoto na no na okofon a na me de nsam na yeden ejina so akotia na judge sisi de bi enye sa na edidi mbra e wo my way mu. And these NDC guys went out there to date. Oman Peninda John Dramani Mahama has not congratulated the president who won the elections on the legitimate grounds from the people of Ghana. He has not, because he insists say the judges were against him, all because you wanted your members to have confidence in you for your failure. You are anti-climax. The oba recorded one, oba recorded because the way you know when Susu da. Say na asem ne tie kono mu nyina wogi die say wo wini ye enti enne na 2 years down the line na o afi na oba beti say mo anwini na mo ade na mo ye no kra no mo se ade mu kra na anya hwe na mo come achachu say hwe na hwe say de na beti na.
But that's very worrying.
I am telling you, it's a serious matter. So nobody
very worrying because you know, according to Sidun Ketia, after reviewing the manually collated figures, lawyer Chachu Chikata handed the documents back to them and said that if that is the evidence they are taking to court, then they should look for another lawyer.
And yet you went to court and called the judges' names. You wasted our time, months of our time, weeks of our time. You wasted people's emotions. Some people in this country actually believed the NDC won the elections that they were cheated. Some people in this country actually believed the NDC had the case. And yet you were standing in the court in all your glory, trying to let everybody in this country believe, say, you are lawyer Chachu Chikata. You know everything and the judges are cheating you. And we run down the only, your friend is saying, arm of government that you protected simply because of your parochial interest. Why couldn't you just go to your members and tell them, say, I feel you to me and get on the day, I think 8th or 9th December. Time 90 for your protest. Me, na me office war number 16. So the radio one. Inti me ba. Eja ye ba betie and find out we ni akwaji ani. Me share white MPP logo bo ha. Me do radio about one. NDC fu egu na ebu omu kura no. Afi na me yem hye me. I have to remove my shirt. E ka me singlet. Ina me simiti ase. We do run about it because if they had seen me, I am come to obo. Why? Because they were there on the belief said they were winning the elections.
Their members of parliament was
they were all there. Nanti from parliament ko easy. I'm telling you, nanti from what ko easy. Asema mike a very serious matter. Na am I yourself no. As a year na dey agro, na dey atonche. Elsewhere, anko before for crab to me as see when this dankasa. Why do you do that to all of us? Somebody will win, somebody will lose. Don't hold the entire country at ransom. Simply because of one personal interest. You mislead your followers and draw the entire country along. And no problem you. What's the say lawyers and ranting in Eko Guda Bakumu? Lawyers so MPP NDC lawyers by 300. Mudi no nyina Eko Guda Bakumu. Ina year judiciary no. Mo passa. You call them names.
It's not true.
Let me match Didn't we hear it? It was didn't we hear it? When they came out, didn't we hear all the things they said about the judiciary? I don't mean kind.
John Mahama could share the NDC.
One running judiciary down.
No, he didn't. He didn't.
I was there. You have your child. Oh, then you were there.
I hold on 2 days. Unanimous.
Oh yes, I know there. We here no. And I say call UPSA.
No, call unanimous.
Now say call another your friend saying conference.
The point is that maybe the president was misled. Based on what they said.
No, they said they were misled. It means that it was a boardroom decision to mislead their followers and the country. Because what he's saying is that you say any results. It's you decided there will be a from Chachu. You don't quite Chachu say I didn't know him in Tiafa and a match at Chuko court. Mobile Kaya until I'm a court beside Mr. Manfashiama. Into Kayafa is the man I mean Bisabisano. So I'm quite here. So they knew that you remember said one of the strongest points that was made in court by the MPP was that the NDC were there on a fishing expedition and they denied. You remember? And then the NDC consistently said, so long as Jan Mensah was not brought into the box, Nature said there's been some travesty of what can I say of justice and that Jamaica should be brought into the box so the question and the lawyers and the say Debbie brasa this a work as the what's maba now we can be to me so that me feel say me to me defend me one of my then me defend me and you remember correctly say the entire judgment by the courts at the Supreme Court was purely based on the fact that the NDC did not adduce much evidence in their case and they called them names. In fact, recently, John Mahama in the NDC tried to make everybody in Ghana and the global world believe said there was something wrong with our judiciary. They owe us an apology. They owe their followers an apology. Now, me be America say, NDC ni bemen be no wa to me man broken heart. Because no more to me so me when this one come Saturday to me. Say me dey ma ho de ma come nyina edi party echi. Me what GDA say me party winning elections ekura me ba news ekura to me now fe last what be gina menim ka chem say fe do be so di chairman na mo person ka no kra bi kire me say ade na we ni nyina na opia me kogu abonti nyina say wo boa na de come kra ma me trust the NDC followers me hu so mo ye legends and say I said you get ka say we what is on bon say man no hey the other boy mu nyina yi o ka say we no say oh no mo ni evidence etino okokot no ka chem so ro ka oni hwe na only the chantro so kai o say me dey mu say me chantro me catch a court and say ma fa hwe am na mo bo say pa hey legends
Amani yeah 2020 elections na be a campaign chairman for Fanjakwa South constituency. There is one thing that I can confirm, which is should I call it a jam or a non-function of the system at some point. Now the means of transmitting the results from the constituency. One Sunday, I think they gave all constituencies certain number of phones via normal on radio. And I can attest to the fact that at some point in the night, it was not functioning. So we have to develop another means of getting our manual results and getting to know what has happened. I know in the elections in the sea, Miami Chrome for the first time when I'm at Tuaba. You might be a sea woman Chrome. Police station, I want 5 p.m. in the bomb. Jarissa met Dinahoma, Yakabana, we are moved to other place. Or my one way sorting in year, and I'm agent and academic lawyer. But per some sign call for race sorting. So why not? It's within your right to be son. I mean, now, on front saying. Presiding officer was, in charge, the one in charge at the police station, and sign it. Or kind of branch, so no, not it was proving a bit difficult. But let me stay armor for a sober. Guess what? Was I sort in the parliamentary one, for instance? Now, member candidates, every vote, every MB in Nidia. Or what? What evidence were him? Money we what evidence were him? Money we Dennis because Dennis other money we Dennis what to 30 so Dennis evidence were Dennis Mr. Mikrom Achim Abompe post office police station. Tienye. Wadauma. Yeah, you to 818. You were not there. Why you there? Money make Achim there. Opa. Tienye. Achim Abompe. We don't want it. Achim Abompe. Post office police station. I will Corona Bond. We do Corona Bond. Post office police station. So what was the challenge there? Challenge as what? Can we? You can catch a day. Because we are now or sign resorting. We saw that many parliamentary candidates need vote. Some of his votes. Well, I could even need him. No, American. What are you talking about? The election. Omo kin kan wie no ana o say dem say kin kan mai biem say short ni dem on kan granko on kan short ni ko first na efrain exactly o end this ni oboa what would you want only evidence oboa listen right see me say oboa I don't want to dive into that oboa but onim am say e bia na asem we am yan kwada oboa o man ntemi oboa you were here when we went to court in 2013 me exactly they told us that there were 200 and something police stations, no, 20 something police stations are unknown to them. Yeah. But Omia was given pink seat at the court. And he was asked to confirm whether or not said an MPP agent signed, and he said yes. Are you serious as a political party?
Yeah, the picture score. Are you
serious as a political party? You go to court and tell the court said there were unknown police stations to you as a political party. But would the agent what trying to catch?
Yeah, the picture score.
Are you serious?
Yeah, the picture score.
You took agent to a police station, paid that agent.
They all can.
What does it? You see? Yes, I definitely want to hit. The same 2013. The same 2013. They were in court. They told the court that the EC has duplicated serial numbers. They had quadruplicated the serial numbers. To a certain at some point, agency has to withdraw over 700 evidence from the court. Were you serious? How can a serious party like yourself, a serious political party like yourself, you go to court and tell the court that you are EC for no duplicate serial numbers? No, quadruplicate. At some point, do you know why KPMG came in? KPMG said, and turn on the endorsement. So let's audit the pinches. Chachu called for that, and it was audited. You audited, you know. Out of 10,000 something pieces that one must see and no the court, you know. KPMG say, 8,000 something, but never pay for Are you serious? Can you say you are serious? A political party like MPP, I must be one of the best players in this country. You go to court and mess up like this, and then you are telling us, and this is going on the figures. One of figures, no. Go and look at the ruling. Go and look at the ruling for that duplicate serial numbers. It was 9-0.
Okay.
It means that all the 9 judges who sat on the matter felt that we were talking rubbish. Excuse my language. Again, on issues of evidence, on no police stations, the ruling again was 9-0. Because how can something be unknown to you, but you took somebody there who sat there, you paid the person. What you agent be akwa 100 cities. What you say? And then you sit in court and tell us say agent be akwa na wunnim say a police station go to one for be akwa. And the amount of pieces but me age. No. She just na tell say pieces no bobo agents was no tell. And bo mu nyina di. MPP ni kan was han. Na go tell us am.
Okay, so what
are you talking about? Let's not go there. Let's not go there. No. If you want to remain on this matter, if you come again.
You do 2 1. You done 2 done 1.
On this matter.
I'm telling you.
No problem. Then I was okay.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
What are you
talking about?
One shank me fa microphone no cry. O my me can say me chiro. Ye court no. Ye photocopies of pink sheet e won nyina in every polling station. In ye raise ye issues nyina na e come court. Say ye double counting. Ye no obi wi ayen. Ye evidence ye kure. It is up to court say obehwe. Say evidence na e kura no. Papa. Ye say aha ye kan ye no na ye 10,000 omo ye 1,000 ye evidence die aha ye kan ye no na ye 5 omo ye 50 ye evidence die so what you say na wo be TV so say na be kurom ye ni see o evidence way nti na make say we mo no I book hard to be to me chom da me na nka me be TV so kura nkasa court die ye nka say wo kwa obedi bi mu me nka say this for kura evidence na nko me di bi mu na mum uti ye se di nkete asem na it's not about whether omo the piece it kwa ya no man fa nkwa na ye double count no or say ade no ye ni bi krampo na de akọ and so ye call court. That is the basis. You see, they cannot bamboozle all of us to ignore the facts. Utieti say hey no kra ne say o call court na unkra hey ye kwa na ye kra bibi na mo ye di for who di for unkra hey who we no so say di court na tem ye di for na ndi o matem is a difference enti no atiem ni ade metena say omo ye legends let me just yes serious
happening. Mama, you know. Oh gosh. Mama Carol say Adom TV, Festival of 9 Lessons and Carols. Nyame Adoma. Hey. President Lamaka Carrots now my video my Jimmy so me na makoka.
Obi send message Fantia Kwasa. I say then it's true is lying. Nothing of that
I'll not take this one.
So we need evidence inside the member.
I'll not take
it. Who evidence aka? Where police station aka?
Oh, Master, they not can say.
I'll not take it.
Oh, they can say. Am I here?
The next time we can say.
Hold up. I put this agent. Am I here agent no? No one didn't phone number friend. Friend I was here. Phone agent on air. No one is on. Obi ti Fantia Kwasa I say no.
How you be now? How you be now? Evidence. No. Who you be now? Who evidence?
So Sunday, 18th of December, Sunday day, me question the day Adom TV Festival of 9 Lessons and Carols, bro. Take it near Church Ghana City. We did that to Bachelor total Joy FM answer. Be at now if you person turn online, sit in your comfort and then buy it. *713 *003 hash or select one now for Adom TV Festival of 9 Lessons and Carols now for what to ticket no in share honum and you may know so pepe na bibia e koso National Theatre until be share Jumtophobe emoji ne a queer Achere Memorial Youth Choir and have a for don't let you know what can you know. Number Saka on the 30th and 31st of December. I have homecoming, your festival no. It may be the 1st January 2023, Mr. Russian and so. And Konin Kusi, Fini, and Moama BB and Timinko, Kama, Emfa, and mine. So, Lawyer Chumberma, one says, Dennis Miracle talk about you. I think we have to wrap up because I can't see a cordia, but I was going to say, there seemed to be a good a signal they see can now you see can I say or fun at home DB at the bar. Now no she say we do the same money and 22.
Do any other?
Nyame Adom.
When you are
Ebroso.
I did 3.47 and I'm 12 when you are. Ah? When the person who is in charge today was telling you said 3.47 you can a bad leaders of Nigeria could do. Now say 1-1. And then and no time I baby do 12 when you say when you are number.
So na baby anka odi koyi.
Baby anka hande bro.
Baby anka.
Me in charge. In charge of anything no. One day one na to so no we in charge. One day I could do 15 I baby do 12 when you are.
Ye bompa se be hwan ba.
One bompa ye. And by one boy and I bought we dey
bompa se be hwan.
Ya na for. O kan
Ghana for.
Into account.
NBC.
Into account.
Of course.
So when you just say dollar is 3.47. 347 pesos. Yeah, I jump where could do 15 or 16. And also I was at 12 point something. Was it when you just say above from when the person told you say it should have been 1-1. That's what he said. He's on video. What's the second 1-1? 1 CD $1. Pepe. Then the OBM and Yankumia. And now what you are now 12-13. Who just say what I say now? I won't give him even 2/10. When he told me that should have been 1-1.
We keep lecturing because I want to into a grades the easy. Oh man 2 cry.
Me man even 2/10.
I see.
My reason is very simple. Oh my meti say. And the second turn even 3.47 input to $1. I agree. Because I mean say $1 na body. Eh obi sika one on. Say we na Ghana na kase 1 cedi. It the same thing. And on dey one no. For whatever reason, the one by the actual me dey one. I mean me here me dey no 10 near children no say be 13 na 12. Asa na me make onyo dey back. And na work tell say, am mo born in any say born in tin amasa ye dey no kwakodu say 3.47 na ye ton sa. It wo president sa. Na wo president ba na twema kodu 16. And na tiaba be do say 12 point something. And I was saying me hu rating. Saying
and 11.50.
11.50 fine. So for another almost 12 cities. Okay? And that's what the other 12 cities are. You think we should be singing praises for you?
Okay.
I can't. Because according to your own words, we say Sanka men that time near papa. Can't even train in Pony.
I'm a castle boy.
So boy, the oba.
What does it? Son, I can't know.
When it comes to these issues, dollar and those remember catch up. I think last week because not too much. Economy in some no affecting. It's media. Maybe you do know. I think so whatever it is that is happening, whether a domestic, a global, we are seeing progress, and we should all speak positive to it. Because on my last week, next time send $500 because to ya. At the last month, $500 be now baby a now should be a name. I think $1,000 as at October. Then I'm almost about 16,000 Ghana cedis, and then I'm 11,000. That's 5,000 Ghana cedis savings. And see, obviously, say you go so ekasa positively, not say you kasa the senior chumuke. I think say between me do single digit. So I just say. Now I mean, okasa ba men kasa transfer. Oh my, the figures in transfer. Your bar bemu, NDC bar bemu 2009 January. Now dollar 4.4. So it's there.
2009
January. Now 4.4. So let me say 4.4, 1.1 cedi. Let me say it. When we came to power in
1 cedi, 1 pesos.
Oh, please. When we came to power in 2017, it was 4.4. So I'm going to just say, now 1 cedi, 10 pesos. And NDC, a better no fee MPP ho. 2017, they do 4.4. So I just say, yeah, as at January this year, now 6.2. And the Bank of Ghana.
As at January
this year, 6.2.
6.2.
January this year. And see, you know, you are aware I said this year is depreciated about 54% within a period of about 7 or 8 months. So what you see. And now it's recovered at about 20%. We still have some 34% recovery to do to at least bring us to where we were in January this year. And then we continue to work towards it. Maybe the exchange rate won't change it because a cut here in you also effect that any of us so a positive effect. In the last month or so, you full almost 3 times. And then me no ka say nyame adoma ba ye china and echinechi Friday no fu obese ya ba fem bio okay this is the number 24 cities and bachoba and na ba bedu be ye 16 cities e kaka 15 me de America ne say wa wugidi say they econo e bia e affect wo politically into to mean cancer pampa no problem
so me da say
but yeah let's say Ghana phone nyina say baby edru no you who progress at least for the first time in the history of this country you who exchange rate akosora cyber
all right me da say
you know mbwana you between us
oh yamfo anafe
as on bese make us
the page share
there as on bese make us
the all can ya san kese
because the lawyer can be oboa
that's all oh my dollar no ba ye ba if any say be mu na 3.7 na 4.4
no 3.7 years 2016 na ana kufa do kan
oh the be
no you said that in 2016 me injure ona
and I walk around buy no dey almost 3 cedi 30 pesos e be to so
ana be tro say o kan sa ni